Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Remember the legendary interview you did with Cartel when Leng was after him? Yeah, man, remember that? The interview that get me in a trouble. The interview that caused the foundation nationwide news people who are on the bossy side, who consider themselves Jamaica's intellectual elite. That's what them ate me after that interview and decide, say, well, I forget rid of that boy I have a nationwide radio and thing, and them start give it to me, put it on for me, and a pressure cliff used to get rid of me. And them days, if you war me, I war you back. You see me? Memories. Memories, 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 memories. All right, we're up on wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. One have wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. Misfit 18, big up yourself, you know. Everything is everything, all right? DJ Maranza, big up the Ochi people. Yeah, man, I'm a stamping grounds that, you know, man. Ochi original, you see it. 109. Did somebody just 199 coins? Did somebody just do that? 199. I don't even know this coin things all you were. All I know is on Wednesdays, TikTok send me something. I'm gonna buy Roblox for my kids, them, and they're happy. All right, big up on yourself, you know, people. We're there. All right, I could just kick it off with a little roll call. Yeah, location roll call. I just want to post one and watch from. Post one and watch. I could see what I go on. Post one and watch from. Post one and watch and listen from. Alabama, United States. I see you. I just say that, sweet Julie. I think I said that already. Toronto, Atlanta, Baltimore, Lauderdale, Florida, my place. Which part in Jamaica? Cascade, Portland, which is Jamaica. Canada, which part of Canada? Grenada. New York, which part of New York? Long Island, New York. Nice. Trinidad, which part of Trinidad? Jamaica, Montego Bay. Kingston, Monique. Trinidad and Tobago again, New Jersey, Trelawney, St. Elizabeth, Spanish Town, Georgia, Pensacola, Florida, Bronx, New Jersey, Spanish Town. Watch that. Bronx again, Spain Town again, Stone Hill, St. T, a.k.a. St. Elizabeth, Arima in Trinidad, Portmore for sure, Phoenix, Arizona, Aija. She just put one TamFam because she liable for the anyway, one side of the world or the other side of the world, you know. Trelawney, Portmore, Canada, Tilsonburg, all right. Boo Boo Hill, all right. Mount Vernon, Brixton, London, England, yeah, in other place. Boston is here, Clarendon is here, Cayman is here. Waterhouse, used to live there for a long time. Brampton in Canada, what them call Punjampton now. St. Vincent, Brownstown, St. Anne, second back of my country. We see Pennsylvania, we see Waterhouse, we see Jungle, a.k.a. Onyx Gardens. Poughkeepsie, New York, my one-time stomping ground, home of Vassar College, where I went for 4 years and lived there for several years after. Wolverhampton in UK, big up yourself. Antigua, Ajax, Portmore, Trinidad, Alston. Where Alston there? Black man catcher, where Alston there? Minnesota, Augustown, you know, say that I'm a place, right? Live Augustown for how many years? Connecticut, St. Mary, Fort Lauderdale, South Carolina, Bunkers Hill, New Jersey, Reggae Lodge, thank you. Location roll call. Well, Alston is in Clarendon. I learned something new. I never knew of Alston in Clarendon. Kieman, Montserrat. Yeah. What? Luana Garden, Black River, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. England. Which part of England? Empress K, big up yourself. Queens, New York, Jungle, DJ Henry, large up and thing. Delaware is here. Snazzy Cat, big up my one-time professor from, I'm going to assume that's the University of Connecticut or the University of the West Indies. Those are the universities that I taught. Because the person didn't put which part. Pennsylvania, Old Britain Main Road, Queens, New York, my place, Waltham Park, yeah. Porus, Manchester, Maryland, Bermuda, UA, well, yeah, UA. One time professor from UA. So I used to teach you at the University of the West Indies back in the day when I was in the Department of Sociology, Psychology, and Social Work. And then we see Bermuda, Greater Portmore, as opposed to Old Portmore, right? So you know, so that person in Greater Portmore living in one of them places, I get I say 2 east, 1 west, 5 west, 5 east. I be hear that over there, you know, confused out your cloud. Bogwalk in the building. Yeah. New York, Pennsylvania. Yeah. Antigua in the house. Which part of PA? Which part of PA? Where? Philly, Pittsburgh, where? All right, Spanish Town. Woolly Spain Town nights there in Barbados, large up Brampton again, Connecticut, UK just dropping on the building, London, Montego Bay, Turks and Caicos, Port Maria, yeah, in my mama parish, my family parish, St. Mary, Rochester, New York, Pondside in Hanover, you about that place, I've been there actually, Orlando, Golden Spring, that's Jamaica, Texas, we're in Texas. France, Jackie, big up yourself over there in France, you know. See, John's Island and all them ends there and thing large up. We're upon wedding mix of people. Like the live right now. Like the live. Everybody just like the live. Just tap the screen and like the live. And when you tap the screen, be careful that you don't send me a request to come on air when it is not your intention. Right? So again, when you tap the screen, do tap the screen. But when you do so, be careful you don't send me a request to come on air when you don't want to do so. Okay? So tap the screen and follow me. Okay? Like the live and follow me. Like the live right now. Like the live and get that algorithm going so that we get more people come in and more calls and all this stuff. All right? Like the live. Like the live right this minute. Put a like on it. Okay? Like the live. Okay. Like the live. Like the live, like the live, like the live, and follow me if you're not following me yet. Follow me if you're not following me. Yes, people, whether upon wedding mix-up or any other mix-up one have wedding mix-up or any other mix-up one have. I don't bother on for gifts, but if you want to give gifts, you know, you just send your gifts and whatever. And then, again, I utilize them for my kids. So much appreciated and thing, but, you know, I don't bother people for gifts, you know, that type of thing, all right? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, people. Bless up on yourself and thing. I'm in name Ragashanti, my mama last bit, name is Cherry Wash Belly proper. Okay, let's go. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up we want to have. So any little drama I want to know at a wedding or before the wedding or after the wedding or in at the wedding or thing like that. Any little thing we want to know about or the planning of the wedding and sitting. Black some UK, big up yourself. All right. Just give it the link and tell me about it. All right. Give it the link and tell me about it. Give it the link and tell me about it. Dripping Melanin? That's quite a name. All right, sending your request right. I know if you give it a mix-up on things, seeing? Sending your request right. I know if you give it a mix-up. And again, like the live. You have to like the live, okay? It's the game that they play with this computer thing. Hello, Queen Nash. Big up yourself in a boo-boo. All right. I want enough respect to all the subscribers over here. All right. Big up all the subscribers. And then, again, we're going to have, like, private live for for the subscribers. Those are coming up. Just some, mellow private lives for the subscribers. No only for excitement. Where you get to ask any question you want to ask, or I could present something to you, private. Queen Nash, big up yourself, love and blessings always. All right. Wedding mix-up. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. Wanna have Paige said, Mihel, Mihel, I have been listening since high school days. Used to late for all, I think, classes, she meant to say. Okay. Del Marine, I see you. Big up yourself. All right, the request line open and things, so I just come in and then say, wanna say any mix-up wanna have, or any mix-up on the topic, which is wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. A lot of owner don't like the live yet, I can't tell. But by 440 I don't, and owner don't like the live yet. So just like the live, please. All right, just like the live and follow me if you haven't followed me yet. Follow me if you haven't followed me yet. Those two things are really good for the show. All right, so just like the live and follow me. But the like especially, like for this show, like the live and share the live too, right? That's so the thing kind of kick up and then we get more call. My Christian auntie used to lead for everything because of your program. Really? No surprise there. A lot of people go through them something they see it. All right then, we want to hear one to know. So I'm going to link up now and make we hear what I want to see it. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wanna link in and make we get this thing going. All right? We'll take a little thing for start. Craigton, TamFam there. One TamFam, never two. Yeah, all right? I know what she named the out there call her thing TamFam. Tamranall. She call her thing TamFam, but when I know me I say TamFam before she. Not only that, I've been using the term TamFam in entertainment before her. Okay? And for those of you not familiar with intellectual property licensing, if you have a public record of using a particular brand and thing, it's automatic branding for you right there. So if any little thing come up in a court, I am ready to defend my thing. Because a long time Raga said TamFam, okay, them for know. Actually, Craigton is about 20 years, I see you put 19 years, but it's no man, it's about 20 years. It's about 20 years. Where I say TamFam. Because from Sister Peggy, they bring the Tambourine, come give me a new stock, It's probably more too. Yeah, man, the Tambourine family. That's what TamFam mean, people. Tambourine family. That's what it mean for me, right? But from Sister Peggy, they bring the Just Shaw. Big up yourself. We see you. Okay, you're a subscriber over here. So I just want enough respect. And thing. Somebody named Plumpy Fat Girl. Pleasantly plump, right? Attractively plump, right? Or depending on who you're there with, they may say you're deliciously plump. All right? Yeah, all right. I am waiting for your request. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any, and here they come. All right, wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. All right, let's go. Let's go. And remember, like the live. Like the live. Like the live. That is important. It is important that you like the live. All right, but now get nobody that thing that now come true. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Sekubaka means okay. Greetings, hello. Hello. Oh, person gone. Send in a request and send on a mix up them. One big head raga in a Sonia. Never to. Seeing? Sonia, I see what you post what there, you know. When you say one Sonia with a tight porky. I saw that. And through it slipped me, you never want me see it. Eh? You never want me see it. And so, oh, and somebody did bring it to my attention and yeah, tell him, say, no, don't tell him. But you're lucky. After I see that, I just back up in the chat and I see it and I say, Sonia say, oh, and tight porky Sonia. Never to. Hello. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up you want to have. I could hear it.
Raga.
Wagwan.
Raga.
What's up?
Me there, Raga.
Seeing? Talk to me.
Why, Raga, I love it mix up, you know?
Eh?
Yes, Raga. Me have a mix up for you, though, Raga.
Yeah?
Yes, man. One girl, I know you see, Raga.
Uh-huh.
She live next door to me.
Uh-huh.
And then me have one other neighbor there every night. Then go on and I still go and do it. I had my ID, Raga. Sometimes I'll go there, go listen to them in a Raga.
What you mean? Gone under which seller? Ufa seller?
Under man seller.
Under arm.
Alright.
Under
me have
arm.
a neighbor.
Yeah.
Me go to say blue.
Yeah.
And then me other neighbor red.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So you see the neighbor we have red, we have blue.
Yeah.
She go on and I sell her over red yard.
Oh.
With red man. Yes.
No, wait.
Every Wednesday and Friday night time.
No, but what I don't understand is a red she go under the seller with red man.
With red man.
Okay, but so she a friend with red?
And two red all man, you know.
Oh.
Red now do the things them.
Oh, but our wall is red.
But blue, they do the things them.
Oh, but our wall is red.
We're that big woman in our 40s.
Your 40s a big man. Okay. All right. And then blue know about our wall.
Blue in her 40s too. She a 43.
But then our wall is red man.
Red man?
Yeah.
Why? Red man a young boy. He look 30, 32.
So red left for your yard. So what, the two of them live on two different sides of
A
your...
long time they when I remember say me and blue a friend and me and red a friend.
Oh, okay. They live on the same side at the two opposite side.
Me in the middle, Raga.
You in the middle. Okay. So hold on. You tell me say I sell a sort out red left here, gone over blue. In the cellar and I tell
blue and I lick up and I cellar and I watch
Hold on. So you watch them when them do it. You see them or you hear them?
Me see them I get them things out and something, Raga.
So
never see me if they watch if Red are coming out.
Oh, so
blue head lick up under the cellar.
So you know a red, but you and red not good like how you and blue good, no?
Me I get peer, Raga.
You get Well on. So that means that blue must have get something from red man when time blue dash out and get red man, don't?
What?
Oh.
When blue get me, get you know.
Oh, see, then now it makes sense.
Yes.
So when blue go under the cellar and go dash out to red man under red cellar, you understand and think so red man send on a money give blue and you watch and make sure so red now come and thing and then
them know say me talk up with things then.
Them know you will talk, so she have to give you a thing for
Yeah.
keep you quiet down.
Yeah, they know say me man a bad man, you know.
Oh, them know
So
say your
you
man
know
a
say they have
stepper
to pay
man.
me.
Yeah. So them have to send her and thing or whatever.
Yeah, them have to pay me.
Them
Plus,
have
they have to pay me to see him way if you watch the man.
Well, on, but then already pay you for watch the man, but you are take money from Blue. But you are take money from Blue for Blue
Raga.
start out with Red man and thing, but Red I pay you
Raga.
to for watch the man. Me not understand a
I got
part
money
there.
for run.
Money for run. So
Money
you
for
collect
run.
money for two.
Me I collect from both.
Well, on, so
I'll red man too. If me catch him one side, he have to pay me.
him have to
too.
pay
How
you
the
to
Raga?
any you catch him
It's a
differently from
business.
Blue. If any you catch him differently from Blue, Red man will have to give you money too.
and
No.
Blue have to give me too. Yes.
No, but when I say when Red give you money now for watching man and all these things and whatever, for watch if you might take any woman out there.
Me tell her say 1 and 2 girl are looking, but him not budge.
Nah, but and thing.
Yeah.
That time she no know say
Yes.
Blue him up in a
Yes.
Blue living room and thing and
Yes,
be
man.
sitting down. John,
Blue money bigger, you know.
Blue money bigger.
Me say Raga all one night time in grab her and her in her throat. Hear her do not kill me. Them just a go on with it and die seller, so Raga.
No, but you know, say with the right couple, you know, with the right woman that grab throat something that exciting, you
The
know.
man say she have a vibes, Raga. Red not have no vibes.
Red nah no vibe. Red just deady with the
No.
thing and pop down and thing and whatever. And Blue jiggy and festive down.
Exactly.
Proper.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when so you think so there's a justification there if red are boring up your things, so Red man have a right to go draw for Blue. You think so?
Yes, man.
All right.
Blue have a writ against Red, you know, from this long time, you know. You understand?
What Blue and Red did have
Yes.
some drama for a long time?
Yes, from a long time, so that's why she had take the man.
Oh, I did big war.
No, I didn't know big war, but Red went take our ex-husband, you know?
Red did take Blue ex-husband.
Yes.
Oh
Blue take Red ex-husband.
no man, a Red take Blue. No.
Yes.
Oh, not the
yes.
other way around.
Red.
Red did take Blue ex-husband.
Yes.
So that's why I know part of this thing, it's sweet Blue now for a grind off Red present man now.
Yes.
Poopa, Jesus, Lord God. Yes,
She
eh?
a grind man that is seller.
Yeah.
When she tired of the seller, she
Yeah.
go a guest house. Sometimes they ain't got beach.
Them go a
and
beach
river.
and river.
Yes, a little watchy.
I'll look at watch.
Yes.
Sometimes them go beach and river. I don't know, look at watch side there and thing.
Yes.
John.
I get me little money still, Raga.
And you get your look much and things, so you just a defend your little thing and collect your collect, don't you?
Yes, Raga, me have to collect little things, see me up on the side.
I use to watch and collect, don't
Yes, watch and collect, right?
watch and collect.
And this
And what?
Wednesday, you know, them a go do them things same way, so me I go watch for Red. Me I forgot me already have to go somewhere, go talk and sit and chat people. Okay, anyway, go already.
Also, what you do, you bring Red one side. For make Blue go do.
Sometimes I have to carry her go one side and stuff like that. Cause remember, so when time I catch Blue half yard, you know, Blue, I have to tell Blue, say, hey, remember, say, I may carry her go down there, so go eat and buy things and so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
to hide the thing, you know.
All right. Now say a word, man. Respect for that, you know. Red and Blue.
Yeah, Red and Blue.
All right. But
Partner blow.
it goes some man. Bless up yourself here.
Every time, yeah.
Yeah, man. Guidance. Cool. Greetings. Hello.
Greetings, Raga.
What go on?
Look yourself.
There, you know.
Sir.
Yeah.
Can't believe someone really attacked you. I really you gonna attack the Raga?
A really ugly pop down big nose Raga you talk to. Right?
Raga, I no longer wash your piece of my square with you.
Send on there now and don't hang on. Eh.
From a break.
Yeah.
One time, I want to see, you know,
One look at what?
and the sister of one man, one little friend,
Yeah.
and the friend of one man.
Yeah.
Our afraid to go give the man a little start out, you know.
Yeah.
So she said she have pay me a money for follow her go look for the man.
Right.
So now through me, say me like drive out or something.
Mm-hmm.
Me jumping at the car and ready and gone.
Mm-hmm.
Reach at the place round one part and she put me in one bar to sit down.
Mm-hmm.
And said, drink what you want.
She put you in a
And
bar
big
for
I
sit down and tell you if you drink what you want.
Please sit down and say me for drink what me want.
Drink what you want. Yeah, all right.
No, what you know, she didn't want to tell me, say the sort out, she go give the man enough. Just tell me like I look, she go look for the man like that.
Right.
She afraid.
Right.
Anyway, when I go on the scene, the bartender one month and said to me, make me walk go down a yard them and I walk down the cars. The brethren are a friend.
Mm-hmm.
So the brethren must call him or text him and say, I want drink, come down a yard. When we go down the yard, they all time house in a Raga.
All time
So you
house.
know say,
Yeah.
yeah, all time board house the boy living there. So when we go down there now, I want muddy lane, you know, so we go down to the lane and we reach at the yard. We reach at the yard.
Yeah.
Boy knock on the door, no answer. We are here, in the background.
Yeah, talk directly
When
in
we
the
go
phone.
at the back,
Hold on, not talk directly in the phone here. Yeah, go on, talk.
What are they? When we go at the back,
Yeah.
the boy say, "One hand make me look right so I see what go on, cause my friend is a champion, you know, them big girl,
Yeah.
but she big and nice, you know, they fluffy bad.
Yeah.
They tell you, say, so when you go at the back, the boy say, look right there, so he climb up on one old bucket, you know.
Yeah.
And me a peep through the door hole.
Yeah.
Listen, I couldn't hold the laugh, me hear the bed go so kuru, boom, everybody roll and roll. Listen, when the boy pull the door, Raga, my friend, she put out and go and can't get up. You see, try we have to help her up, you know, me say, one excitement.
What you mean she spread out a girl and can't get up? What you mean?
And she big Raga and she drop off of the bed and the bed high. So the fuck you said that one piece of laughing and drama.
All right, no, hold on. Don't use the F word here. Hold on, don't use the F word here. Yeah.
Yes.
Just say Sato. Just say Sato. All right. So hold on. Why the bed broke? I you una did that people and go say something?
True, we have people in the ear, the local sound, because the boy, they on the bucket. And you know, an old floor.
Yeah.
An old board floor.
Oh.
So, you know, when you put on the bucket, you're going to make one look nice.
Yeah.
All me, I tell him, say, no, go on the bucket. Let me take a peep first, and then him take a peep. Him no want his stuff.
Yeah.
So, him climb up on the bucket. And I saw now, then got ear, and it look like she frightened, because she don't want nobody to know. And the bed, one part of the bed goes up, boom, 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 and ground. And the bed came over upon her, and we have to take off the bed and the mattress and everything off her, and we couldn't get her off of the ground. You know how long it take me?
Oh, because she fluffy and thing.
She fluffy, man, she thick. And she him enough and a maga man, and like fluffy girl, him like the fat girl them. So you know how it go.
Yeah, you know, say, what if a maga man, a fluffy one, them like?
Me say, boy, like the fluffy girl bad.
Yeah.
Like her bad. And after that, then date, you know. But me give the bigger drama.
Yeah.
The money when promise her. The money did dip on the bed. Can we find the money all now?
What you mean? So where the money go?
I don't know if I rat take it away in the middle of the excitement. I don't know.
No, rat not take it away. Is either him take with the money back or your friend with the dip on the bucket take with the money. Somebody pick up your money.
Like the boy will jump on the bucket take with the money because it take long one time I try roll her over, you know.
Yeah.
And me I try wonder what one because she tell me so she get a good piece of money and the money roll up in her last thing. And all we move the bed and everything in the room, we can't find the money. We just back right home. No?
That money never walk away. The money never walk away. So that somebody pick up that money. Somebody take up your money and sink it out.
Excitement. We'll have go straight back home. You know, so she mash up the boy bed. The money for she gets, get it. I want piece of trouble take way down there.
No, but you know, so she'll take him long time. Probably on a draw card for your boy, she afraid and things. She'll take him long time, you know.
Me
You know,
feel
feel
so,
so.
Raga.
Nah, man,
Me
she'll take
feel
him long
so.
time, man. For she go up there with you and tell you, say, sit down inside the bar and go and drink and things. That is somebody who is in charge. That
feel
is
so, 'cause you
somebody
know
who will
why?
run them game and things. Say, no, sit down here, some man. Me soon come and whatever.
Nice,
She know
Raga.
what she'll do.
When you go back out at the bar, one girl up there dead with laugh. And I said, come buy your drink. Me here sitting tumble down there. Alright. The time me can't answer, my friend can't answer, no me a bite the laugh, See, I know look after that after me figure out because me and the bartender boy turn friend. And the boy make me know say woman that. So me I wonder between him and the woman, them pick with the money. And
Who
laugh.
was him woman? Who was him woman?
The bartender boy, we follow we go down to go carry the drink, go give she and him.
Nah, man, that
So
can't
when
make no
we go
sense.
back
That
up
is
in bar, the
the
girl
story
up
can't
there
go.
sit
What
down.
him a said? You're a fluffy friend of him, woman.
No, the
Oh,
girl when we go back up at the bar after we left down there and trouble take we and us mash up.
yeah,
And we decide so we are left because we not no money and we go no one night catch up because we not no fear.
yeah.
So we have got just a ride. So on we way back up now, the bartender boy I follow us back to the lane.
Yeah.
Him nobody come up with him shame take him kind of mafia put black under him bed and sitting there for go lie down back to me. You
Oh,
understand?
oh.
So when we reach back up at the bar, the girl up there, she and some other girl. And I one piece of laughing in the pan. And ask if they not floss and end us up there and buy drinking and I ask if who wants to drink. Me know with chill face, me say, give me one magnum for you road, yeah. My friend, she nobody ask for nothing, she not take nothing, she just start walk. After me and the boy exchange number now, me I go find out couple day after so the girl will buy me the magnum up there. And the boy we go put the black on them bed where they with my fluffy friend. I feel woman that. So now me I
Oh,
can figure out
oh.
say it's between the bartender and the girl where buy the drink them pick with the money.
Well, the part that kind of complicated, but it makes sense. No, it means that your friend a real coaching at the thing and a governor thing, cause she know what she a do. She a take it
Them
woman,
not
man.
tell you.
So all I know when she a roll with you, because when me and man, I mean used to do a road and rotate a while out. You see when woman I go somewhere with them friend, sometime too that I feel just give somebody else a pill, you know. Sharon, me go with me follow Sharon go up
Yeah.
her sister for so and so and so. That the time I take
Yes.
she I go take him man. You understand?
Yes,
So
my
me
God.
that wonder if your friend know have a different link to what she send wide. And I say, boy, she and you are go somewhere. You understand? I mean them say you and she and you left and she and you come back and them thing. They can't know them style and woman bad pan them thing. But your friend
Boy,
a
Raga, I
coat,
know
your fluffy
impossible.
friend a general for a long time and whatever. She take him a long time and probably know who the man a talk to and thing, but you don't know the dog must have send her some proper food and all them thing there. So as she said, dash
Yeah.
out and collect, dash and collect. You understand? Yeah.
Alright, Raga, I'm not turn too long cause lunch break me for one next time I tell you, oh, we go pick one boy and the boy pick back the money far away.
All right, bless up yourself. Be your respect.
Thanks,
Cool.
yeah. Big
Yeah,
up
man.
yourself.
Cool. All right, everybody over here, like up your live. Like your live. No phone a day, I don't know like the live yet. Like the live right now, please. Like your live right now. I'm telling you, say, I'm going to them something to make a bad on the phone. No phone over here. 750 I did it, the 740 now. Like the live. Make sure someone like the live. And follow me if you don't know follow me yet. All right, like the live and follow me if you don't know follow me yet. If you don't over here and not follow me yet, follow me now. Right, I wanna have to like the live. It make a difference in the algorithm. Put it this way: if you don't like the live, TikTok push the live more, and it reach more people, and we have more calls and more. You know, I saw it go. Bill. Saying that's how it. The wedding mix up or any other mix up. Energy up. Cause I wanna pop down around here, you know. Wedding mix up or any other mix up. Hello, Wagwan. Hello. Hello. Yo, too much on that from yesterday to well, yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday. Well, not yesterday, from Friday. Too much I wanna end up a send requests and now come in, man. I wanna fair do that, yo. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have.
Yo,
Greetings.
Raga Wagwan, my father.
There, you know, what you say?
Just know me there.
Wait, hold on. John, no, you know, say, you see it, at them something happening, I see it, them I try cut off one person and go cut off the person who calling. But me I connect with that thing. You see it, at them look at something happening, you know. Alright, let me see if Nikki man. See if Nikki I do the see. Remember I said Nikki 900 and not I don't know over here and I like the life, people. Nikki. 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 You see Nikki do the same thing again. Every time Nikki end up a send request, you know, and now come in and 969. Make the number change from them 6 and 9 and them something. Quick. 69. It up on 969. Change it. Nikki.
Oh,
You see you do it
I
again?
didn't realize I was on.
No, but
I
you do
walked
it
away.
again. Nikki, on a Friday you do it. I see you come back and do it today again.
No, man, I'm coming to give you a mix-up today.
Oh, sorry. Me think I mistake you make. Wagwan.
No, but I walked away from the phone. I'm so sorry about that.
No, that is okay, darling. That is okay. Send on your mix up.
So this is a mix-up about my sister.
Yeah.
So she was in a committed relationship, but it was abusive.
Okay.
So she and her partner part ways.
Yeah.
So after that, now she decided to have a chop road.
Chop road scene. Yeah.
So she met this guy.
Mm-hmm.
He was a nice guy, took care of her and everything.
Mm-hmm.
But the guy was in a relationship. He had a what do you call it now? It was like a marriage, but what do you call it again?
It was
Can't
like a marriage?
Yes.
What do you mean like a
remember.
marriage?
Yeah, they were together so long. Common law marriage.
Common law marriage.
Right.
Okay. All right then, yeah.
So she met another guy.
Okay.
And this guy, him have a big bike.
Yeah.
Big RR.
Yeah.
Among other things. So one night she was going out. So I was home with the kids.
Whose kids? Fear
She
kids?
say, yeah, I was home with my daughter and
Right.
her kids.
Okay, all
Because
right.
we used to live together.
Okay, yeah.
So she gone out now. I said, all right, no problem.
Yeah.
In the night now, my phone ring.
Yeah.
So the original guy called me now and say, where is Keisha? So
Yeah.
I say, no, Keisha gone on the road with Janet.
Yeah. Like a
So
true
him
friend,
hung up
yeah.
the phone and him called Janet.
Wow.
So him call me back and him say, Nikki, she not gone on the road with Janet. So me I said, me not know. But meanwhile I was talking to him, I was hearing like somebody was outside, like he was outside. But I wasn't paying it any mind.
Right.
So a couple hours now, we hear vroom vroom, bike coming inside.
Yeah.
After all of that, me hear, aha, that you do. When I look outside, Raga, the man jump out of the tree.
Out of the tree.
For my sister, the man in the tree I hide.
Yeah, and him jump out of the tree. Ha
The
ha.
man jump out of the tree,
Yeah.
upon the two of them.
Yeah.
So she's afraid now she called me.
Yeah.
But the man had a licensed firearm.
The one who jump
And
out
I'm
of the
so
tree?
happy. No, the one that read the RR.
R&R have him, as him, the R&R strap up
Yeah.
and thing, have him up him tool and
Yeah.
things. So when Mr. Man jump out of the tree, him pop off, pan him.
Him never pop off. Him never trigger happy. I was so happy about that.
No, what I mean, him did not sure, but pop off mean him did take it out.
Yeah, man, him pop off, man, because him frightened.
Yeah, him frightened. Oh, you mean? Me say, a man jump out that tree, right? When me a serve notice and thing, big man don't even think about it. So when him take it out and thing, three man say, oh, that, but she did left 3 man down.
No, she never left tree, man.
Oh, Okay. She did just a do road. Like you said, she does a chop road.
Yeah, chop road.
Okay.
So after she called me now here, the commercial and I run out now
Yeah.
and them start argue. And she must say, this here do Keisha, this here do.
Keisha, she name. Keisha, she name. Your sister named
She
Keisha.
Keisha.
Oh, you
She
just
not
use
named
Keisha.
I'm
Because the
just saying
Keisha, I'm afraid I ain't a woman named Keisha, you know. Oh. Go on, talk.
She said, this here do Keisha. And she called my name and I said, Nikki, what you say? I said, boy, I have nothing to say. I just listen. And the two man them start argue and talk to them one another. And one I say, you take her. And the next one I say, you take her. No, me don't want her. You take her.
Yeah.
So them I debated one another till she get upset and say, me don't want no. And walk away.
She said she don't want none of them.
Yeah, because them I give them a pass her off to each other. Because them I say, you take her. And the next one I say, you take her.
Nah, Moon, they say pass her off to each other, you know. You don't think some more accurate description of that is Queen Nash, big up yourself, you know, love and blessing. You don't think a more accurate description of that is that they in a position where them there, each man basically I say, nah, you know, so I'm not gonna worry over the woman. You know, things that most that them did that them I say.
Because the original man was explaining to the other one that he was with her for quite some time.
Right.
And him take care of her and everything.
Yeah.
And then the other man I say, all right, then stay with the woman and me just hold my own.
Seeing.
And you, yeah.
Yeah.
So eventually, the bike man left.
Yeah.
The original man stayed. But she's still never in a relationship with both of them. She still trap the two of them same.
And the two of them go back there, don't it?
Same way.
The same way, don't.
And eventually now, she left the bike man. And then the bike man see me and tell me, so no, boy, you know, so I like you. I look on this man like, you're crazy.
Oh.
You were with my sister.
Right.
How you supposed to look my way and you was looking at my sister?
Yeah. And did I chop your sister, yeah.
Yeah.
And him start draw for you.
Yeah. Eventually, as I said, she and him went on, but you know, she still chop road same way. So even though the bike man drop off, still find a next man for balance. Same way.
So talking truth and none. I mean, you have your sister back, obviously, and that is good and commendable. But the truth is, your sister, one of them, she do what she want to do, don't?
Exactly.
Yeah, she do what she want to do when she feel it and thing and whatever and so forth, you know?
I try. When the man called me and asked me which part she did, I had to think fast.
Yeah.
I said, why she did such and far? But I didn't know that the man was going to call the friend. And then the friend wasn't thinking fast enough to say, yeah, man, she there, she gone in the bathroom.
Right.
The girl go say, no, she not there, she not see her from night.
So well, I don't know. So
no, sir.
if you have a sister, right, and out of the blue, because your sister never tell us so you have to prepare or nothing, but out of the blue, your sister man call you and say, Sharon up on the road, what would your answer be?
Yes, man, Sharon gone in the bathroom.
Sharon gone in the bathroom. Right away, you're back car, don't?
Right away.
All right, then, cool.
That's what good friends do.
That's what good friends do, right? That's the right move, that. All right, that's a word, man. Big up yourself here.
All right, Raga, thank you.
All right, Nikki, thanks for that one. Yeah, but no, that, you know, that, you see one of them mix up, you see that mix up, you know. When I love about them mix up, you know, you have stuff in there where you can learn from, you know. This mix-up where you just share is actually one of them mix-up. In a sensational and spectacular and whatever, this and that. But if you just keep back and pay attention to it, you know, some little things in there for your peruse and think about and, you know, what I meant about and say, what would I do in that situation or whatever? And I'll be like, oh, so if such and such reach, I'm going to protect someone, so this and woman, you know, them look over there and things. So give thanks to that, see?
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man, blessings, man, cool. Yeah, man, wedding mix-up or any other mix-up we wanna have. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. Any mix-up we have now and with 1,000 other on the day. Hold on. Everybody over here, if you don't like the live right now. Like the live right now. Just like the live right now. And if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Right? If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me right now. Right now. Follow Ragashanti. Follow me Stewart Wash Belly. Follow me right this minute right now. See it? See it there? No follow over here and not follow me yet. Follow me now. Follow me right now. And like the live too. Like the live. You see the difference when I like the live and I see how the thing come up, more cards and the show get jiggy and thing. Work. Alright, greetings. Evie.
Yes.
Yes. Wagwan.
I'm here home.
See, you're the woman, you're the people man, yeah.
No, I don't do that. I'm married for 39 years, August coming.
Oh my, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Very nice.
I'm off today.
You're off today, seeing. So you kick back on a juggle with Master Raga, right?
Yes. I like to listen to your show.
Blessings, man. Good. You know, glad to hear that, you know, seeing.
Thank God.
So will you have a mix up to that?
No, sir, I don't know how comes me come on.
You don't know how you come on. All right. You know, probably accidentally touch it. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself, here.
Yeah, man, you
Blessings
too.
and congratulations again. Your 39 to wedding anniversary coming up in August. Big up yourself. Big
August
up Obi.
2nd.
Big up Obi to here. Enough love and blessings, man.
You're going to visit his sister in Bridgeport.
All right, then. Let's say a word.
I live in CT.
CT. All right, then. You know me there. So that's where I got my Ph.D., my master's, and that's where all that. I got history there. First marriage, all them something there and whatever, you know. Bless up yourself here. Okay, cool.
Yeah, man. Thanks.
Yeah, man. Connecticut. Yeah, you know, I have a heap of connections and history with Connecticut, you know. When I just come to America, you know, I work for a summer camp at Connecticut today. You know, Camp Joel in Coldbrook, Connecticut. Memories. Good evening, caller. What's up? Hello.
No, that's a mistake, Cracker.
Lord Jesus, you don't pay attention to the phone,
I'm
no, man.
trying to tap up the screen.
Oh, yes. Okay. All right, then. Cool.
Sorry.
No problem. Cool. All right. So, people, tap the screen for like the live. Everybody who are watching right now, tap the screen to like the live. All right. But when you do, make sure that you're not sending me a request to come on air. Right? But tap the screen to like the live. Do it right now. Tap the screen to like the live. Say that. And then follow me if you're not following me yet. Follow me now if you're not following me yet. Good evening. Oh, thing not coming in. Dark Chocolate said, tap Raga Ed. Dark Chocolate said, tap Raga Ed. Joy. Hello. I remember. People. All right, man, we'll cut off this. Joy the realist. All right, then. You see, you know, pay attention to the thing, you know, people. Come on, pay attention to the phone. All right, tap the screen, and like the live, all right? Tap the screen and like the live. Good evening, hello. Hello? You know, so now angle my body over your door. Hello? John, all these people bring them in, and I hear them, you know. Hello? Take off this. Hello? 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 All right, patience. Hello?
Even Raga,
Wagwan,
me there now.
talk to me.
Me say,
Yeah.
have a mix up
Rinse.
one day. Oh God, we meet this guy,
Yeah.
nice and cute and body look good.
Mm-hmm.
And me say, him carry me out on 3 days.
3 days him
So
carry you. Yeah.
3 days. So
Yeah.
first date, drop me back home. Second date, drop me back home. Third date, nah, make no move. I'm really like him. I'm wanting to make a move and
Right. Him do if you
no
try to
move,
kiss you or nothing.
nothing.
Okay.
So fourth, fourth date now.
Yeah.
We try make a move. Wear something nice and something.
What you do?
So
You wear one sexy outfit for send out in.
yeah, man, we wear one sexy dress.
One sexy dress, tight on pan you, suck on pan you and all these things,
Yeah,
don't.
man.
Yeah.
So me tell him say, me want just go in yard and feel like something. So I say, okay. So
Well, you give him that signal then. When they on the date, you say, you know, so I don't want to go home, but I want to go here, yeah, go chill a little bit and thing, right?
yeah.
Right. Anybody who in the game know that signal there, you know. You know, from you reach a point where the woman has said, all right, tell her what happened after now.
So buy some liquor and sit down, maybe a drink, jagger and sit. No move now make. So me decide to make a
On the
move.
day I'm yard this time. On the day I'm yard.
Yeah, man, we reach a yard.
On the day they drink.
Yeah, me did a drink, jagger and sit now. And I get in a mood.
And him still not make no move for you.
Still no make no move. So me take off my clothes now and something, a nice something. And
No, well on. What you say you do? You do what?
me take off my clothes.
When you say take off your clothes, what you mean?
Me take off the dress
Yeah?
and just only in the panty. And it still not make no move. So me make a move and know and
You
start.
take off your dress and only in your pants. You have a brassiere?
No.
You did only in your panty alone?
Yes.
And him still not draw for you?
Still no job for me.
All right, tell me, what happened after that?
So me make a move and did I kiss him up and something. And me I say, oh, me not feel nothing. No nothing arise, no nothing.
Yeah.
So me get curious now and put me in the underpants.
Yeah.
Nothing man no have.
Jesus, oh God. That's why. When you say nothing, when you like, how nothing.
Nothing none at all, nothing.
None at all.
Nothing. It's not about nature and just not have nothing.
Whoa. So what you mean, like when you mean, like a 2-inch or a 1-inch or what?
Less than that.
Less than 1 inch?
Yeah.
Well on. Let's be clear here. You know what an inch is. We all know what an inch is. And you say it's
Yes.
less
Roger,
than.
it feel like I want vagina.
Oh God. Yeah, woman, you know. So you know how vagina feel, right? And if you say you feel a man something and the man something feel like oh God. So it's like somebody has said a lie and I want man. Please, you must never say the famous Howard Stern show where him do. Where the man them with liquor something walk up, a whole heap of man with liquor something. Let me tell you something. Some man out there, them have one little zit. Here, some man out there have one little zit them have. If you're not careful, you go bust it and think a regular bump with pussy and thing, yeah? Yeah, some man out there them that have nothing here. Remember me tell you, no found no know whatever this, I never understand it. Howard Stern, the shot jock in America, him do one show and ask the Nordic man them to come up and parade and be a white man, of course. And them come and them parade and whatever. And you know, yeah, man, you know, deal with them something. Well, I'm a heterosexual man, so I not deal with them something there and whatever. So you would and you have man out there, them not have nothing. So try know when she says she feel it, and she feel say it feel like, you know, it feel like a JoJo, it feel like a look of poems and thing. She's telling the truth. She not a reason for call and tell lie. And
He lied to you, see, Raga?
and him lie, what you mean him lie to with what?
Always I tell me I'm a girl is and he used to have woman this one, that some woman a fight over him and sit. Me say, when me cut him off, you know, me don't know which part he get that there's something that the penis they send me.
Well, what you mean? What you mean? You cut him off, so you're done with him this, all right?
Yeah.
And then when him send you what? What you mean send you?
One picture, one penis.
With what was the intention with the picture? When I tell her say what?
Say no, that's the reason why me cut him off and it a hurt no one it actually name turn up and this and that.
But if nothing never did it, if it
Exactly.
so well, I try to tell us if it moved from nothing to the picture. What I'm saying?
Move from nothing to something.
From nothing to something. you know, and them say, why you start from the bottom? You remember that thought they did about the place, like when you say I come from nothing, we start from the bottom and now look where we're there. So how long after him saying that? How long after him saying that?
What a month after.
That's a madman, that man. He can't write it and thing and whatever. I mean, just lost in him delusion and thing and whatever, yeah. And cause when you say you feel, you go down there, you feel and you never feel. So when did they expect from you? When did that, cause me hear say some man like that, them love for swipe. So at least them just come up front and say, no, I'm swiping him there. So when did they expect from?
Honest, we don't know when did expect.
That may I say, like, when did they expect when him say, yeah, make these overtures, you send signal, you want to be intimate with him and thing, you like him, because you say him good looking, have nice body and thing like that and whatever. So when did they expect?
Yes.
The point I make, if you know, say you don't have that, right? And then you have to run a game for get the woman and come in, then you must have an end game for say, all right, me know say she expect me for have instrument, but me not have nothing. But when them come in, me go bring them in and thing, and when them come in, me go draw for them, with the swipe, or with this or what. Like, so him never make no play. But me I say him never have no end game. Him never have no, an objective, a goal. So me no know. What you think him did expect from you? All them time that when you send a signal to him.
We don't know. Yes.
You know, say, one time I do a show, you know, one different show, and a lady called in and she said, listen to me, Raga. You see, anytime we as woman a date a man, and the man good looking and him tall, or him a treat you good, she said, anytime you see a man just a go over and a board a treat you good. She said, it's either one out of three things. She said, is either him not have nothing, like what you just said, or him a one of them man that him have the condition that as him reach the front door and pop off. Cause you have some man have that problem there, you know. As him reach the front door and then pop off. Or she said, him either have something so big, no woman no want him, and woman a run from him and all him something. That woman say, and I will never forget when that call and educate we and thing and whatever, you see.
Yeah.
What? Well, now look what somebody posting in the chat. A Raga this, but Raga look decent. As me hear him, me start laugh. Well, I laugh if I focus on. All right, her 10, big up yourself. But anyway, no, but this thing I'm sending the picture after, that's kind of look weird too, don't it?
Yeah, come here say, why am I do that?
Yeah, it's almost a little creepy. Like, are you saying, you're saying something? What you doing? Whatever.
Yeah, and him big guy give me vibes about him and him there jealous and sitting and know him a settle down and blah blah blah.
No, there was something weird going on with him. There was something weird going on in him. Short boss, big up yourself, you know. I see that, you know. Yeah, man, large up. No, man, there was something definitely weird going on with him. Something weird did go on with him and things. See him? Anyway, big up your good self, you know. But you think balance
Yeah, man.
out now, don't? You get good sort out now, though, don't?
No man, me single for a couple of years now.
You're single for a couple of years now?
Yeah.
So you don't do nothing?
No.
Or you just help yourself? Well, that is affirmative. No, nothing wrong with that. No, you know, one time God shame did that. Woman say, yeah, and them have them little things. Some woman all have 4 or 5 with different color, with different mood and all these things. And nothing wrong. Yeah, you know, a regular thing that, a common thing that. No shame no in that right now. The woman them very open and things. Some of them will tell us right now when I want a man. You see the rules around the place. The only problem I have with some of them women there is that them get addicted to what the machine them can do. And then when them get a man who can do what the machine, no man can do what the machine they can do. Some of them don't understand the difference, you know? And them start get a little problem in trying to process, you know, the different feeling where human are going to give and whatever. While they have some other woman, them have them thing and them enjoy them look a rose and this, but them still crave for, you know, the things them where the rose can do. Talk to you, you know, tell you something, listen your problem. Because, you know, you women, you know, if you meet a man who can, first of all, who can talk to and whatever, that can be sexy and that can be sexual and a turn on and the rose can do them something there, whatever. No shame in
Raga,
you.
me no want no rose.
You know
The
what?
girlfriend of married tell me say, when she and her husband are go start out, she have to use the rose first because she just get addicted to it.
You serious?
Yeah,
She have to use the rose first.
yeah.
She needs to be careful with that, you know. Well, it's good that she not so addicted to it that she not feel nothing from him. So, but if she says she always need to use the rose first, she needs to be careful with that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And let me ask you something as a woman. You ever hear a woman say this yet? Because some man say them can't manage this thing when I tell you about, but apparently it's happening out there. And what you think about, say, if a woman start out with a man, right? And she says she love the man and she not left the man and she not born the man and thing. But when she don't start out with the man, either in front of him or a little bit away from him, she go do her thing herself so she can just reach for her point and thing. You think anything wrong with that when a woman do that? You think that
No,
is this?
Sam, I think nothing wrong with that.
I don't think you think that you think that necessarily means that the man work this or she's saying you can't please me. You think so?
Then Raga, some of the time you think good in a man come fast and you never get to come.
Thank
You
you.
understand?
And if you have a woman who was say, no, mama, love you, and I work with you and thing, you know, but and since we not reach this, so I go do a little thing right now, so me can reach my little point. That is something good. That is something good. It means that she trusts you. It means that she's comfortable around you. It means that she's safe with you. In fact, you can help her too.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can help her too if she use something, you use it too and whatever. But some Jamaican man, you can't tell them that. Them say, no, I disrespect that after me done and whatever, this and that, you gonna do that. And this me and way, you know, and respect for me.
Yeah,
and
them end up get born.
And them end up get born. Thank you. But my thing is, my youth, if they be, you know, if she gonna work with you because you never, you know, never help her to reach a point there, because as me tell people, and a man make woman come, is woman make themselves come. Man help woman make themselves come. No man make a woman come, right? Because if a woman not like a man, him could have the greatest technique ever, whatever, she would have never come. You understand what me as a woman, right? If she not him touch her, she feel crying or whatever, she do it, she not really want to do it. It's mental. So a man can help woman to come, right? So if you never help her to come, and she a work with you now and for say, yo, me at that point I know where, boom, me and you good man, don't worry yourself, man. But you don't know you do what you do and, make me just go do my thing after. You help her and nobody feel threatened and insecure about that and all them something there. You see what I say? That makes sense? That makes sense?
True, makes sense.
Yeah, but it's a thing out there now because some woman don't necessarily do it in front of the man. They go bathroom, go do it, but some man find out and what kind of disrespect that Raga and thing. And the time you did that thing about disrespect, you that say, boy, make me say, she a work with me. Obviously, she a work with you because she still a juggle with you. And I do it with you and whatever. But she have needs too. You understand? A woman are more liberated to a woman want to reach them happy moment too. You understand what I say? Worse if you don't want to face up to the matter and go give her a little swipe and thing. If I know your thing that and all them something. You understand what I say? So if you're not dead, so she go take care of business herself and she feel comfortable and do it around you. Work with it, daddy. Yeah. And then I'll even put in your little contribution to help her this one thing and whatever. You understand what I say? Yeah. Anyway, man, big up yourself, But so what you say, 2 years now. John, no.
Alright then.
But you're good though.
Yeah, Raga, that's another story.
All right, then another story for another time. But go and balance up your thing, I know. And you hear me, I say, go and take care of yourself too in the meantime, once you go and balance your thing. You see it? All right?
Yeah, man.
Aye. It goes so. Cool. I hear me, I say, people, 1,400 over here. So like the live right now. Like the live right this minute. And follow me if you're not follow me yet. Let me go in a second, right? Like the live. Tap the screen, like the live right now. Right? Tap the screen and like the live right now. It's an algorithm thing. That is what I'm, I push it. We pass 60,000 members, I want to pass 100,000 mark there, You see it? I put that from the start, the TikTok over here. I put the 100,000 there, you see it? So, like the live. I'm so glad to see you on this forum, Raga. Yeah, I kind of like it. It took me a while to get used to TikTok because TikTok can be somewhat overwhelming. There's just so much going on over here. And then some of the thing them when we see people, they match something and thing. And I might something, that's not me. I match something there and bada people for gifts and them something there. And I might think that, really. No, I welcome the gifts, If you're giving gifts, I welcome them and thing and whatever. Work, and I tell you, say, me use that and thing and whatever and nice up me youth them and sitting, DJ Chris Cross, big up Cross over your Cross come in. Bombard, people see my brother. No, sir, with the junk there. Let me see if we can bring him in. No. This old Cross is people not see my brother, my little brother over here. Anybody who have time for let me see how this thing I go. Oh, what on there? Multi guess. Cross, me send you an invite. Cross, me send you an invite. Forward. Okay, see General come in here now. Yo. What go on, me G?
Me there, man.
What is something? Okay, yes, see it. So what? Now, man, bring in your thing, man, because the people them need to see you, man. You Cross, the ladies have to see DJ Chris Cross.
Yeah, man.
Bring in the something, man. The ladies have to see you, Cross. I want me to you, man. Remember, I said we are party, And we, Cross, are you build this with Raga, I want me to you. You know, bring in the video.
That is it. Say, sir, as much as me use TikTok, I never really do that video something.
But you go, all right, boss them,
Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, watch this. Little bro. All right. First of all, people, for crowd, let me tell you now. September 20th, the date set. Ragabash. Ragabash, September 20th. Me not have Ragabash without you being there. So you just know that. So you're going to be there?
Facts.
Brap,
I mean, I
brap,
got,
brap, 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 brap.
and I go as far as to let people them know that the rating is so powerful that when you call me and tell me the initial date,
Yeah,
we did have some plan know because you know since we've been rolling the Raga, the bookings has been up, you know what I'm saying?
right.
So I've been doing the road and you said now it's time to check back with people them for the venue and see what they are going. We have to
No,
change
because
that.
me not have no big event if you not there. I just saw it said.
Exactly.
I
That
just
is
saw
it.
it said
So
foundation.
we give thanks.
Foundation, look bro.
Give thanks.
Foundation. September 20th, Amazura concert. All I'm going to hear more about it and thing. Ragabash, elegance and class, okay? The best, the greatest grown and sexy party in New York City. So I want to make sure on a lock on a date for that right now.
In fact,
Yeah.
Raga, just before the party, we're gonna see if we can do a PR run. I'm gonna try to be in the studio with you, my brother, the all time see.
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah. Where you say, you know, you're going to come in on some of the show them and thing
Yes, yes,
and
we're gonna
all
make
that
that happen,
vibes.
man. I give the people them the whole time chemistry back in the days. You
Yeah,
know
you
what
have
I'm
to
saying?
play some music. That's what you're saying, right?
Don't worry, man. We never left. We never left there.
All right, then, see it. All right, people, before we go any further and thing, I know it might be a little bit to name the phone, no? But when I say him angle DJ Crisscross 1876, obviously, you know, Jamaica air code. Make sure to follow him. Follow him, right? Follow the general right now and thing, seeing DJ Crisscross 1876. Follow him. And if you have watched this later, because remember I said I posted the full show them over YouTube and thing. I post the full show them over YouTube. Even if you watch it now over YouTube, follow DJ Crisscross on TikTok if you're over TikTok, right? It's DJ Crisscross 1876 and follow Jimmy Q too, right? And that are the team. Right? That are the little family right there. So.
Is it?
All right. Make sure. So now I look forward to that party, because we come back with a bang, you know. I turn up a thing, you understand? I say we talk about red carpet affair. People want to dress up and look nice. Yes, it's one of them something there. We don't want nobody coming there with no pants that hang down under them bottom, and we don't want that something there. We don't join that something there, right?
No, but
Dress
you,
up
Raga,
what?
you know the party when we always step out with the cheap piece them, right?
Yeah. Well, that's a
Yeah.
no. That's a you and Jimmy
Right.
and them. When I always say suit. Yeah,
A long
understand?
time you don't go cheap piece. So
Yeah.
right now you want, you know what I mean? Of
Yeah.
course we can go back in the closet and we there. You
Yeah,
understand?
that's the owner. But people, the theme is elegance and class. Dress up, come out nice and whatever. And thing, you know, we have the different areas and thing. I want to know, say, for those who are not familiar with Ragabash and thing, I want to know, say, a CF something, I don't know, Buguyaga something, but it's TamFam something, you know? So a family something, and we all enjoy, and the music ever turn up. DJ Chris Cross I go play, Glamour Wayne I go play, and I link up DJ Roy for come into and thing and whatever. I know say Glamour Wayne I'm a party for a long time and thing. Jimmy Q I go play, and you know say 90s, 2000s and the music they are play and thing. And for those of you familiar with DJ Cross, them can follow you, yes, when you probably know about TikTok, right? So don't.
What do you mean? You know what TikTok?
No, I mean them can follow you like when you're the right, yes, I know them can just follow you. Let me see what the people them say. Let me see them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then Raga, remember say you know TikTok, you know. I said when you start really go hard and
Yeah.
yeah,
That's true. But no, me I get for like it now, though. Me I get for like
you know, I tell
TikTok
them,
now.
man.
No, TikTok I act me TikTok festive, it's jiggy, you know.
Yeah, man.
And again,
Raga, you know me, imagine if we have the powers of TikTok back in all out of the days.
Jesus God. Well, TikTok wouldn't allow you to do out harder, though.
Why?
No, TikTok don't allow you to do them something.
Where TikTok allow you to do?
Me no know.
Yeah, go on and say, after on the poor director of the day, we just have to have conversations. TikTok,
No, but you remember some of the things when they go on for out harder grass.
no, but TikTok not really black conversations. Unless a hateful speech, yeah, do something like that.
No, with them people tell me say once you put up the kid something that is on this, no, every show I'm do it. Them
No,
say you can't
well,
go through.
I think it would have depend on if people are report your page and I say you have few harmful content. You know what? Sister, I'm sure them are going over here. But you talk about that. You
Oh, for
man say,
real?
nah, brother,
No,
Virgin,
but for the record, so we have all of the outer show them recorded, right?
we
And
do.
people being asked, there's a market out there, a set amount of people who want that type of thing. So what I've been thinking over 2-3 years now, because me not come out openly and do something like that. You understand what I'm saying? So
Well,
what me I gonna do? No, seriously, what I'm going to do is on the TamFam media, me I gonna give people the option to listen them something there privately.
yeah.
You follow me? I say?
Yeah, but I was
Privately.
thinking, Raga, say, maybe we could have edit like some of the clips them when are too outrageous and build like a conversation around it because there's conversation where you can build with a too ranchy and too outrageous.
No,
But
no,
you can
no.
still have fun with. You
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah,
but
yeah.
still have fun.
No, so never figure it up. No, don't make I want Ragashanti and thing, never two. So even if somebody say them want come jump in for when me I do, them still can't be me. And you know my philosophy with that, leave people, make them do things. Everybody have to eat food and things.
Yeah.
You see, all when you link me and say, look how much people are using content and whatever. When I say to you, allow them, make them go and use it and feed them family and you know what I say? Right? Because you know me have the confidence a long time.
That is it.
Me we just do what me do and my thing will rise, But now so me gonna allow a guy to walk over me, And you know what I say? That's a different
Never
thing.
that.
If you have to send them a cease and desist, I am a lawyer. I know this thing. Right? So if you have to send them a cease and desist, then fine. But in general, the youth them a do them thing, me not have a problem with that and whatever. But me gonna set the thing, man. Me gonna set the thing and just like nice it up and give them the option if you go in a private space, adult, and you do your thing and whatever. You understand? I'm
Yeah, man.
gonna set up that and thing. So
Big up the people them where are sending the big ups and the shout outs.
yes,
Christopher
man. Well,
Man, the Hill
them
Group.
you see them know you in a cross, so you don't know.
Bless up to everybody.
One time for me. I Craig Todd, me say, big up yourself, Chris Cross. I say,
Yeah,
yo,
man, big up the Craig Todd.
he John Corina, chat.
Yo, you know what weird, Raga?
What?
I thought Canada go do it all right. Big up to Chris, and you know, so him
Yeah.
in that chat. So.
Yeah.
He that people, big up on yourself. But go Canada last week, I do a big all right party.
Yeah.
And like the promoter of a series of people are stay on the same level at the hotel over there. We're flying from UK, people from America, Jamaica, all over, like literally whole of people. And when we just forward at the hotel, when we check in at my room, them say, oh, forward there, someone. I can meet some of the OG them. As I walk in there, brother, pinch out my finger and, up my fist and I say, yo, you know, say I don't know me, I listen to you. I'm from 93 FM deals. When you are Ragashanti, you play.
For real?
The man start go on the internet and show me a bag of something, a bag of history.
You see it.
No.
You see it.
You know, the people that must still reminisce about the good old days.
No, man, for
With
real.
love.
Man. So, people, it's September 20th, Ragabash, Amazura Concert Hall, Queens, New York. May want anywhere in the world, they want to just come over for that, start line up on a thing and whatever. You understand? Yo, you see that page, so Chris fan page 416, you know who that?
Yeah, the Christopher Martin, man.
Yeah, Chris Madden, man, you understand? Foundation, TamFam, that man. And things.
You know, say anyone on your platform, them come Christopher Martin, there, man.
Him dead. Yo, you have people over England already say, boom, them there, 4 people from London are flying feet already.
Listen, me, man. You know, say Raga. You know, say London and the only big foreign. We not gonna play it, but we need to touch London.
No. Me I bring you go London.
London and the only big foreign, we not going.
London are the only big foreign, not going.
Remember last time you tell me, say, we roll go over there, we have some family issue.
No, but you remember, I successfully got your visa, but when the visa
Right,
come,
that's the first time. You have to about the last time.
No, when the visa come, the day after you
Year,
fly.
Yeah, the day when I fly the visa forward.
The visa, it was the day when they did the fly, the day after.
The day when I did fly.
At that time, the visa, that's the day
Yes,
the
because
visa
you
came.
know, me like a big idiot go up at the consulate. Instead of me tell them, say, me we pick it up in person. Me tell them, say, no man, drop it off. And like I got through the mail system.
Okay.
And just never really reached me until the day when I was supposed to fly because I didn't start notice, but you did pull some strings and make it happen. But you know,
pull some string. Remember, it cost me thousands of dollars, but you know, then we're gonna end up losing
at
that.
that time, Fiaraga, that was pulling some strings. I mean,
all right, people. See, have a look at brother, people. You understand? A DJ Crisscross, and again, want you make you know, Ragabash, September 20th, Amazura Concert Hall. And we want you to start make some preparations for that. We're gonna take it over. We're gonna full it up, dress up nice, good music, nice fun. The whole works, TamFam style. We're gonna make it happen, okay? Ragashanti, DJ Crisscross, Glamour Wayne, and thing, and you know, other, you know, so from a raga something here, people are gonna roll through and whatever.
Miss Party, big up yourselves, though.
Who?
Miss Party.
You see her there, sir?
Hey, should I never going like she a young girl, man?
Where Miss Scarlett there?
You know the way
Where Miss Scarlett there? Where Miss Scarlett there?
Miss Speed, never.
What's your name in here?
Why you all do one thing, man?
Nah, man, we're not load up our thing, but Miss P.
She am confused much.
All right, now see how we're. Let me see if Miss. Oh, Miss Pilot, big up yourself, man. Large up, man. Yeah. Miss Pilot, large up, man. You know, say your thing a foundation to and thing. You know, them people that know where it come from to, you know, Christ. So you know it going.
Foundation.
You see it. All right, now send out my look, brother. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man, respect that, man.
You understand? Bless you. And people, before we leave, again, just follow DJ Crisscross 1876. Follow him right now before he leaves. Just follow him. Make sure you follow him because anything I go on, the man come here and playing music and thing. The man talent, sky high, buck and thing, right? And that's the thing. So make sure you follow him. Follow Jimmy Q too and sitting and thing. All right. Cross me, I go back for me something and thing.
Yeah, man. I'm the business, man. We are going to link up, man, and we are going to plan them, orchestrate them, show them properly.
Yes.
We're in studio.
Yes.
And make people them know and look forward to that show. You know what I'm saying?
See, they're proper.
Man.
All right. Okay. Protection. Cool. Take off a general. Yeah. Look, bro, that, you know. You don't know, you know. And if you're not TamFam, you would even know what I'm going right just about. All TamFam who from long time, who say Ragashanti, and who from backyard days, from outer days, from Mixup and Blenda National Arena when we have them big show the days and thing, right? From New Start 93 FM days, from Nationwide 90 FM days and whatever, and I know the levels, you know. Even when we did over that Dirty Man the station, when we come up here in New York, we don't know who that is, right? We're not really going on a name with that something there and thing, yeah? Foundation, who know. Who understand, yeah? Big up on yourself. All right, people, what we're upon right now, we're still upon the thing, which is what wedding mix. Okay, if you're here and you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Make sure say you follow me and think and like the live right now too. So you need to like the live and follow me. Like the live, right? And follow me. Tap the heart, tap the screen, like the live. Yeah, me sooner do it nice. Good. Like the live. If you do it, yep. My soon I do it. Okay, like the live and make sure say you follow me. If you're not follow Ragashanti yet, you need to follow me right this minute. Okay, we're there on wedding mix-up or any other mix-up one, you know, but we'll see if we can get somebody to come in right now and give you a mix-up. But remember that, you know, people, September the 20th, Ragabash, elegance and class, right? A night of elegance and class. New York's greatest grown and sexy party. Simple. I eat that. Right? Dress up and come out and be nice. Is it possible for Outer Order to return? Akeem or no? Is it possible for Outer Order will return like at least once a week initially. And the past Outer Order shows with the Outer Order music, they will be in a separate space, right? You know, I'm putting all of that together. So just when that is on hand, I will let you guys know. So Lady Loyal 123, when you say date for what? The date for Ragabash is September 20th, right? September 20th. That is the date for Ragabash. September 20th, Amazura Concert Hall. The one that said, I have a story, Raga. Nisa, come on, come tell me the story. More embarrassing than Mixup story, though. Yeah, man, come tell me. All right, somebody say, is the show every day? This show is from Mondays to Thursdays. But there are other times when, Shani Pepper, big up yourself. See the beautiful heart where you're sending on. Queen Nash, go and big up yourself, you know. So it's from Mondays to Thursdays. From don't pay the people who have put 69 in the chat here. Them just mischievous and whatever. Right? I said 6 to 9, and them as me say 6 T 9. And I never that me say, right? 2 different from T. Right? So I mix them, me kind of wicked. Them are wicked, all right? 6 to 9, Mondays to Thursdays. But on other days, you know, I will have a show on a Friday or a Saturday and things like that at my own discretion. But the regular time right now is Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. All right? Fathermatic. Which Fathermatic that? I know the CM Fathermatic, right? I know what name that is on YouTube. Let me see. No man, I know Fathermatic this way. Alright, Yogi Bear say Rag, I'm a single, you know. I'm see some of the nice females, yes, so Wagwan, boss me, no man. Boss me a call out. The Yogi Bear, you want a woman, then Yogi Bear, you know, if you say a woman, reach out to a woman. Unless we're going to have a dating show. Right? If we have a dating show, then a different thing. Miss Parley, big up yourself, you know. Proper respect. Okay, good evening, good night. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Hi.
Raga, this is more like I want like a mix up, but embarrassing for me.
Yeah.
All right, Raga. Me are 48 now, but
Yeah.
when me in my 20s, I meet this lawyer, man.
Yeah. Damn
Raga,
lawyers.
them time I know about swiping, because we can't say it out to you.
Right, swiping, a code word we use over here, yeah.
The man a give me a swipe, Raga. Raga, me I tell you, say, you know, crab walk sideways on the road. So me I take off the wall, you know, Raga. Me I walk back way the way they do, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
But that are the first time, so Raga, me kind of like it, no?
Yeah.
So Raga, one day me give me, but me try explain to you how me turn without getting it vulgar.
Right.
You're on a sitting position, but they are on their back, but I am turned back way. So you know it
No,
kind of
also him
right?
depend him back, you turn back way in a
Yes.
sitting position. Right, okay. So, okay.
Raga,
All right,
Raga.
yeah. Right. And a swipe a go on, yes, sir. A swipe a go on, right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. So Raga,
Yeah.
me did it, you know, and me I tell her, say, the swiping sweet, me but chew me one come Raga, me a hold it. Raga, me a hold it only go crack one big fart.
What happened? What happened to me? What happened to me? Oh yeah, I'm back. What? Oh my God. I can't believe it. Are you serious?
Raga, I know that's the bad part. Raga, me remember the position when me turn so straight in the nostril it go. So, the problem is it wasn't a sweet smelling one. It was a funky one.
No, but which
Raga.
poop is sweet smelling? I don't know of any sweet smelling
Raga,
poop.
some of them not so bad.
No, some of them not so
Raga,
bad, but it's
that
not sweet smelling. Eh?
Yeah, but the problem is Raga. I know that's the embarrassing part.
Careful
Raga,
now. You
when me
remember,
done,
you remember,
can't
you remember,
say,
hold on,
yeah.
hold on. Careful now, because you know we use code over here and keep things
Yeah,
clean.
man.
All right, but so go and talk. So,
But the party I no code, what him said to me, Raga, when we done and we did it, hear the man. You crack one on me.
when you done, I think I remember say, you know, you say you crack one in me.
You crack one on me. Catch with my liar and him speak proper.
No, but where him come from? Am I not Jamaican?
Raga, him a Jamaican, but him speak proper English.
Him speak. No, but here's a big
Yeah, one of them uptown man.
Uptown man. But here's the big question though.
Yeah.
When him did that,
Raga.
wait the man.
Him a the big man for me.
Him a did big man for you, but me say when he did pop it off, him did stop.
Raga, told me did embarrass me, did ease up half.
Right.
Because I feel bad. So I just ease up, come here and say, when me let it out and me myself smell it, me have to say, no man.
So it did smell really, really bad.
Yeah.
When you say it did really, really strong though.
Raga, it's so strong that's for about a couple months, the man just swipe me again.
Oh God! Oh God! Then what I don't know. Him did tell you say if you sit on back way up there so forget this why?
Yes. Yes.
Him this
but the problem was Raga.
No, because from
Raga,
what I
it's
hold on.
sweet.
It's sweet. No, but what I'm saying, from what I have read, once the woman has sit down up there, so you know, and the face turn cheer, as them say in a dancer. The woman usually a face front. It's that is usually better. Him tell you for turn around.
Yeah.
It's him what? My God, I mean, you know.
Raga.
Yeah.
May I tell you, say, my feel shame. Come here and say, it's sweet, me, no Raga, but you don't want to come quick, yeah, hold it in.
Yeah, hold it in.
But between me, I try hold it in, pop out.
Something pop out and thing. And then, you know, and what happened to, you know, you have these autonomous poop. You know, you have, a lot of people don't know, you know, that like poops have personalities, right? And you have some poops that are shy. And you have poops that are brave and bold. And then you have poops that are dependent. But then you have poops that are independent, right? And they're self-directing and they're autonomous and they do what they want. Now, many of us human beings, on occasions, we have tried to, you know, to control the independent poops who refuse to be controlled, right? So they come out whenever they want to come out and whenever they think that this is time for them to come out. And therein lies the difficulty in this matter. It's an intellectual issue, no doubt, and I'm presently exploring the intellectual properties associated with it. But again, you just had an experience with an independent poop, right? And perhaps
Raga, him did too independent. Him did want to emancipate too much man the wrong time.
No, that's show ya. Why that show ya for out there? So no. You know what is terrible though? I'm on record to say that I am one of those people. Like, it is just so unfair for women when it comes to poops in so many ways, you know, because, you know, somebody very carefully said in the past that, you know, they kind of wanted to know what was the thinking of God, you know, to have to put the exhaust so close to the intake. Get it? But anyway, so you know, so that is something that women always have to deal with, that they're so close. So once you're interacting with that one, the other one is right there. Now you have some people out there now. They have got the.
You hear me say?
It's difficult.
You hear me? Me no both do that. The position there again.
You don't do it again. You never ever do it after that.
No, that traumatized me.
So you never turn back where I sit on you again up there. So you
Raga,
never
no
again.
raga. Me do the other turning. Me not turn the way there again.
You turn front way.
Me no want nobody come tell me you crack one again.
No, but you have gone up there since then. Yeah, I mean, you're still gone on that chair before you just turn front way.
Raga.
You just turn front
Raga,
way.
me 2 years from 50. Me can't rock your chair.
Yeah. No, that's why I know. So you still sit on that chair. It's just that you sit front way now. You don't sit back way anymore since you have been traumatized with that. Interesting. And the man said, what the man said to you in a Bossy accent, you cracked one in me.
That's what I'm saying, you know, you crack one on me.
You cracked one. My God. Anyway, big up yourself. You don't talk to share that one day, though. You know, bless up here. It goes so bad. Protection, man. Cool. Boy, I mean, I tell you, it's unfair for women with that something there, you know. But one thing I have to tell you, ladies, you know, and some women and I, we have a disagreements on this, but that is all right. I'm just keeping it 100. You know, it's a normal body function, and it's just biology, so you can't get around it and thing and whatever. But I must admit, I'm very liberated, very mature with a lot of things and whatever. But there is some things I must admit that I have a little difficulty with. And when one of the things with women is an early pooper. Right? When you're there with a woman, of course you're going to poop around you, you know, and then you come in like nothing because you're there with her. But my thing is, don't poop too early around me, you know? You know, and I know there's something unfair about it and thing, but don't poop too early around me. I can't manage it. If you poop too early around me, worse if it is not a squeeze out one, right? And if it's going to happen, it must be that it squeeze out and I'm like, wait, you poop? And then, you know, you ladies, you do the little thing that ambiguous thing that you guys do, ladies do. I'm not going to answer that. Or maybe, or whatever, you know, on doing a little thing, which is confirmation, it's an affirmation, da. But don't poop too early. It's like, there is just something grossly unfeminine about an early pooper, you know. Worse if the woman big and bold and brag about it and think, no. If it's an independent pooper come out when you never did want to do it, I totally understand that, right? And I'm not going to be immature about it. If it happen, you know, right? Most men out there, when them in them element, if it's a back as a center, them can't deal with a poop. Them cannot deal with a poop in that position. Draw some card, pull off, whatever, draw some card, let it go and whatever. But most men in that position, if you give him a backers and think, don't poop at that time. That will emasculate him. That will emasculate a man. That will take away masculinity right there. So if you go, yeah, give him a backers and then you go poop on him or whatever. It's like a dismissal, right? It's like, right? Don't do it. Find somewhere you forget running. Man can't manage that something there. Okay? Yeah. No, but poop different from queef. We're not getting into that, but Jamaicans don't know what, you know, poop different from queef and thing. That's a different thing and whatever. But yeah, the early poopers, you know, it's that can be difficult, you know, and that woman, you know, just feel comfortable at poop early around you and things like that. If you have to poop, you have to poop though, so we're not gonna be childish about it, but you know, the audacious, bold, you know, don't care. Early pooper them and thing and whatever. That's difficult. That's difficult. Don't be an early pooper. Do like what woman do. If you are driving in the car and the woman, you know, you have a lot of women ladies on draw a card, you know, feel it a come. I want to go wind down the window about, I bring down the window, I need look a fresh air because the AC, sometimes the AC make me dry up my throat and thing, I need look a fresh air. I poop on it, I poop. We know that. We know the styling. Right? A poop on it, a poop, right? You and the man who you just start date, who now walk and thing, and him a hold your hand and thing, and you feel the pooper come, and then you just fling off him and then you run go over to the store window and think, Jesus, Look at the shoes, you're nice. And a poop, you go poop. We know, we get it. You know it, and that is the form of respect because it's too early for no poop and thing and whatever. And then when we say someone on a poop is, you have these type of poop with humble people, right? You have these poop with humble people, yeah? Because you have some poop, they're stifling. When them you turn and I try get to them type of poop there, whatever. So if you know you have one of them poop there, be appropriately cautious with it and thing, and don't be too cavalier and donkey and careless with it when you're around a man, because a lot of men cannot deal with a woman who him just start talk to and she's an early pooper, right? Save it later on when the thing set in. I'm well aware one woman called the show one day. So she's been with her man for 11 years, married for 9 years, and he has never heard her poop. Never. Mister, not even one time. She said one time. I don't believe that should happen and whatever, but just don't do it too early. Just don't do it too early. Okay. Yo! Ragaba, September 20, Amazon Concert Hall, Queens, New York. Get there, be there. I think this person want to come in.
Hello.
Hello.
Good night, everybody.
All right.
So I've been nervous, because I just mean that naturally. But as we say, my story, it don't really mix up, but it's embarrassing.
All right, I could hear it.
All right. So one evening, I was supposed to start my working experience. I was in high school.
You were supposed to start your what? Your what? To start
working experience.
Working experience.
Right.
Okay.
When you go in high school, you do working experience. So
okay.
I was supposed to stay with my brother, but growing up in country, where you have parents who farm, when you go where your older siblings are, they might pack you up with bagload or something, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yam, coconut, dashing, banana, planting, and it all. So anyway,
Yep.
one evening, we travel go Port. We did have a Port Maria.
Yeah.
And the taxi did on strike, car police they on the road.
Yeah.
So no bus now run go Ochi because I Ochi me I go.
Mm-hmm.
When we stand up at Ochi for about 3 or 4 hours. I wait for bus to come.
Yeah.
Wait for taxi them to come off and strike. So I'm going to Mir Mount and Mir is pretty up on the road and technically, if you know St. Mary, you know the school and stuff.
Yeah.
So my ear say one bus come about them all there now I look at darker than this. My ears one bus go over the bridge. But me not nobody fi help me with my cross bag. Me from mad and little schoolers, but me as a tomboy, I never watch no face.
Yeah.
Let me travel with my bag now. Here's the bus come. Me I run to go catch bus with the big old crocus bag, some whole heap of people there on the bridge. So me call up my bag now and I run to the bus. Me say only fi buck me toe and drop. And me crocus bag fly out of me and in the middle of the road me say, Raga. Me shame.
Everything come out. Everything come out of the bag, bro.
Fly out.
What did in the bag again? What did in the bag?
Pumpkin, cocoa, sweet potato, one bag of gym bag.
Oh,
like a market.
God. Oh, God.
In my school uniform, me says as a man, a little girl, me say, you know what, see me with me walk a shame, me walk and I pick up my something like me stush like me a hot girl. I pick them up one by one and drop them back in my bag.
Well, nobody never help you, nobody never help you.
And the doctor come because the doctor busy a load the bus, so when he catch up and see what go on, he come help me pack up my bag.
Well, that's good.
Just take me the time and take up one left and just go in my bus, go sit down
Yeah.
and shame and that time the man them some on the bridge a laugh after me.
And Jamaicans them just terrible with them something, them just
Terrible.
extra and start going about it and all them something. They go see you.
If I didn't know when TikTok plenty, upon TikTok would have seen.
No man, I be a video, yeah man. That's that video a long time. Before them help you, the phone them with a back out and thing.
Everybody have video man, and nobody now help. Me say I shame like a dog. You see from that? Nobody can. I know say, I know my brother not tell me thanks. Me not bother with that again.
You
Me
know
some
about
hot gal now, so me not bother with
you know,
that.
you're not juggling me there again. All right, you're not carrying no big load and all these things
A
and
big
whatever.
load of crocus bag.
Figure turn over
Right.
roadside and thing. All right,
No,
that's a
sir.
word, man. All right,
All right.
blessings, man. Cool. Hello,
Hi, Ragashanti. How are
Wagwan.
you?
Boy, I'm good, you know. Wagwan with you.
I'm here in Panama chilling.
Panama, you there?
Yeah, I live in Panama 30 years now.
Jeez and peace. Me need a link for down there because I have the TamFam Travel Club and we want to do it. I want to carry groups to Panama, right? Because
Yes.
you see, Panama's history and culture is actually tied to Jamaican culture in many ways, you know, right? From the Panama Canal, which a lot of Jamaicans
Yes,
went over
that's
there.
true.
There was a long time DJ named El General, right?
Oh yeah, actually he doesn't sing anymore, you know, he's a Christian.
I know, but you know, say, is him sing over Shabarang song, Dembo, in a Spanish, and you know, say, at that start reggaeton.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that is what started reggaeton. Even though reggaeton become more popular in Puerto Rico, right? But it's really Panama. It started with El General, who is a Jamaican descendant who sing over Shabba song, Dembo, and reggaeton take off and thing like that.
Real talk.
Yeah, but there's a lot there just to, even about the canal and whatever, there's so much, you know, and you have nice beaches and the food is good and whatever. So, no, me go inbox, me go DM you here.
Yes.
Because when I come down there, me need somebody who know the place to say, all right, Raga, you go here, so.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right, me I write down your handle card. Me serious, man, me I link you, man, because more and drop down there, you know. Okay, so what go on otherwise?
Well, Ragashanti, we have a Mixup again.
Say that, make we hear it.
Raga, you want to see them?
Yeah.
You see there? All right, like this. We start, go church, baptize. So the pastor say we have to get married.
Yeah. Go on. Hello? Hello? Yeah.
So them say they will pay for the honeymoon and everything.
Well, no, you did cut out a little bit for a while ago. So the pastor say you have to get married and then what?
He said we have to get married so we can live a clean life before God.
Right, okay.
So I tell him, but me not have no money for pay for wedding. He said, no problem, they will pay for everything.
Uh-huh.
So Ragashanti, everybody in, wedding dress new, jacket, suit, and everything nice.
Mm-hmm.
The day of the wedding, Ragashanti, man reach late. So me I say I must have bad luck this. Because my family, them 1 year couldn't assist the wedding because that day them was traveling to the United States.
Mm-hmm.
And once when me reach wedding, Ragashanti and reach up by altar. Me know so them a say, do you accept such person to be your husband?
Mm-hmm.
Raga, me no know where my mind go. Me hear them say, are you here? So they say, do you accept? So hear me, no Ragashanti. Let me think. Then let me think.
But make it think, but why you did space out? Why you did space out first and then why you say make me think? What was happening?
What if I things did not go on, man? And then I said, me really for do that thing here and I do the thing.
So we are right. Well, right there. So you didn't have second thoughts about it.
Yeah, man, because I want the political things did I go on, man.
Nah, man, you have to give it some little hint about what did I go on, like.
Alright, it was like a relationship, like a drama thing, whole heap of argument and fight and problem and so. And then, you know,
Right.
my son married just for paper, but the person I didn't really love from my heart still. But anyway, for the long and short story, we get married and everything. You want to know, we're going for honeymoon. When we not a car now, my husband stop and say, he might buy something at gas station. When I look, I see him come back with a bottle of wine. I'm a Ragashanti. Me reach up a hotel and you want to see me now. I say, boy, we put on some nice music and come out. And I say, baby, man fast asleep to backside.
You mean the wedding night, the honeymoon night?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You man drop asleep.
Hey, man, I don't know what kind of wine or what it is in the wine, but hey, me I tell you, say, look, man forgot my bed to sleep.
Well, yeah, some people have some interesting thing that happen upon a wedding night and or the night before and whatever. So this is your version.
The next day.
Yeah.
Hey, just take out my clothes and go to my yard. You see the next 2 weeks, and powder house. Everybody have to go them separate ways.
What you mean you take up your clothes and go your yard the next day? Why?
So then look here. So you go one hotel. Me go hotel for go look for people. No, I go there for go have fun.
By your wedding
go
night.
For go sleep.
By your honeymoon night, right?
Yeah.
So what when did leave the wedding the same night the wedding and go upon the honeymoon?
Yeah.
Oh, so they never go far from which part of the married then?
It was like, it wasn't that far.
Oh. And then
but just what I'm trying to say is like that when my daddy altar, I'm still like my mind go far. It was like a sign God showed me say you shouldn't get married.
And then what you say, since him drop asleep the night of the marriage, you said that a additional sign says it's not a good idea?
Yeah, I meant to say in the space of 1 month, we separate.
After the wedding, when I separate after 1 month?
Yeah.
Wow. Now, you see somebody has said, and you left your husband for that. Won't not understand, you know, right?
Look here.
No. Well, let me say something. Won't not understand, and you know, when I was training to be a psychotherapist at the University of Connecticut, you know, for 1 year we had to learn to listen, and we couldn't understand why we have to do one course for 1 year just for listen. And when I did that course, it's one of the hardest courses I ever did in all my academic career. Listening is one of the hardest things to do. When you're not a listener, you know, when you chat about you left your wedding for that, and that makes you left for a wedding. She just never did a feel whatever did I go on with she and him. She never did enough from in the first place. At the church, make she go run, go get married. She never really wanted it.
Exactly.
If you listen. So I put it another way. You see, if she did really love him or them did really good, it wouldn't matter to her one bit same drop asleep. She would have just kiss him and hug him up on him because that would be her boo. Right? So it's not because him drop asleep makes she left him. If you did that listen, you know that hear the things and she say like the church makes you go get married because church you can't stay in here and not get married. You know, cause you know the church pressure people. But she never did want to get married.
And I'm telling you, listen. When I get to know this person was like the nicest person and everything. But you know, you can't really come and say everything I life. Hey, it's like me have to leave, me have to run for my life.
Oh, yeah. Him did move to you certain way and go on. Him have a violent side to him, though.
Yeah, and then my mother and father Jamaica never hit me. I'm not take no lick from no boy.
See it there? See it there?
And I'm telling you, I don't regret. Because look, I move and everybody say, you're not going to get your paper. I'm going to get my paper without him.
Still
You
be
see, sometimes we
still be a span of marriage or based on something
no,
else.
no.
Oh, okay.
Because you see what happened. Sometimes we stay into some marriage and we are making it look like everything is good and nothing no good.
And nothing no good. Yes. A whole heap of people out there do that. Yeah.
And we keep on saying, I'm only now because a child. My child. No. God called fool, but him don't keep them long.
And then you see this church thing, where, unfortunately, you have some women, particularly women, but men too, but particularly women in abusive situation. And instead of the church, them focus on the abuse and keeping the woman safe, they claim they're focusing on God's law that say they must not get divorced under any circumstances, which is absurd. Trust me. God no want no woman to stay in a situation where a man would kill her and I make she suffer every day. I that them for tell the woman them. And I talk about God said them not get no divorce. God no want no child of God. Well, God would be a sadistic, sick, chauvinistic, misogynistic God, which God is not. Right? So if you're in an abusive situation, a terrible abusive situation where man beat you, and you suffer every day, do not accept it because the church tell us, God say you're not supposed to do it. God no want you stay in that neither. That them for telling you. Yeah, go on, Carla.
And I'm telling you, I don't regret because this was like something you with somebody, you can't talk to nobody, you can't go nowhere without them. And I'm saying to myself, marriage sometimes is like a prison.
Right. And this is not what if somebody said to you, well, no, but marriage is not always easy. So if you had some rough time and it looked like you gave up on a marriage, what if somebody said that to you? What would your response be?
Look, I can tell, I could encourage somebody if they want to fight for their marriage, they do it. But you have to step into somebody's shoes to know what you feel. Because listen, I don't regret. Because listen, my mom in Jamaica, I tell me, she said, listen, be careful what you're doing. And it keep on happening at that same church. About 4 people married and end up in the same way. That's why, but the sense I have now, I learned to listen to the voice of God, not to man, because the pastor is just a man, and sometimes we put with eyes in him, and him is just flesh.
And let's be honest, sometimes you have these men out there that could have been pastor looking more, but they're not necessarily understanding what a woman is going through, from a woman's perspective. You understand? Yeah. Sometimes that go on to,
Exactly, man.
See. Anyway,
Ragashanti, was nice talking to you, dude. And you can link me and anytime you're ready, man, just do the math.
Yeah, man, for real, man. No, man, me say the Panama link there, me been for do it, whatever. So, and me just need to go down there and figure out what is what, and then set up a little trip from a TamFam travel club, All right, blessings, man, and things. But so me will link you. Here, I have your TikTok and me make sure so me follow you. Okay, I'm going here, so. All right, yeah, man. No, man, I have your. Okay, I have it and things. So me link you, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Protection.
Care,
Blessings,
bye.
man. Cool, yeah, man.
Okay, bye. Okay.
Yeah, man. Everybody, including men, there are a lot of men who suffer in silence in marriages, but in particular women, this mostly reach women. And then you just be careful of people, remember as Jamaicans, many of we were raised in the church and we were taught not to question what the church tell we. As I've always said, I noticed that there's 2 situations that even the smartest woman sometimes allow themselves to be taken advantage of. And it is with doctors and the church, doctors and pastor, right? And for some reason, a woman we are deal with a man and the man a come up with some little general talk and she pick up some general ship him in and nothing with him and read through the play and avoid him and run him or something like so. But we are conditioned to trust doctors and pastors. And you have doctors and pastors who are aware of that power that they have and the trust that people are socialized, conditioned, to see them in, and trust them that way. And they exploit it. You have pastors and doctors out there who are very exploitative, okay? So you have a lot of doctors I know they're very intrusive and abuse women in different ways and whatever. Social media expose some of them. And some of these pastors. And some of these people in religion, they believe what they're saying to you, but it's not good. The extreme of it is in the Muslim religion, who insist on, betrotting, giving over little girls to grown-ass men, 45, 50, whatever, in the name of religion, from as early as 6-year-old, them designate, they literally give over the little girl them to the man them. And when they pitting them a ball and thing, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, them I give them to some 40 at 50 at 60-year-old man and whatever, in the name of religion. I'm giving you the extreme version of that. That, I'm not go over there go say nothing to them or whatever, because them I do them thing, but it's wrong in my book. Pick me. You understand what I say? But then the other version of that is where women go through, broadly speaking, in the terms of religion, where male interpretation of these religious principles are such that they're designed to control women for men. And them are telling women, them say, this is God's way. No, it's not God's way. God don't want no woman staying in a position where man abuse her every day. God don't want that. Don't make no man tell no make no pastor or anybody come tell him otherwise. Right? Nothing about me than one time when I lived down Jews land and thing. And we used to live in our yard of one church, the Mount Opal Church of Christ of the Redeemer. And this woman, did I get beaten? We know did I get beaten? Every day she run to the church for help. Her husband had beat her. And the church she asked the church for help to take her out of the situation. And instead of the church do that, the church keep on and tell her where God say you can't leave your marriage. Their interpretation. And him beat her and bust her up and she come up and thing and whatever. This was another church though, And the church keep on and tell her the same thing and I send her back. This went on for more than a year. She not gone away, whatever. The only place she could have go was the church. And at the church, she keep on and run to for help. The man beat her, kill her. And the church was not there for her. The church never tell her what it need for tell her or help her the way it need for help her. Yeah. And you know what is sick? Sick? Even after the woman dead, the church people, the senior people, I say, God works in mysterious ways, wonders to perform. And then tell me, say, me, no wait name there in the ways of the Lord, so me not understand this and whatever we gotta do. Me not buy that. My daughter now grow so. And uno no fi buy it either. You see what somebody posting in the chat? Look what that lady posting in the chat. My ex-husband used to hit me. And my dad was a pastor. Used to tell me to stay with my husband. Our father, who was a pastor, they tell us to stay with your husband and her husband a beat her. So he had an interpretation of the scripture and the doctrines of Christianity and of God that superseded his obligation as a father to protect his daughter. And that doctrine served to protect the abusive interest of a man. So a man who is a father is invoking an interpretation of the doctrine in a manner that was protecting the interest of another man. So it elevate the interest of men over women, and in this case, so much so, him want a daughter. My daughter going to live her life, you know. And at some point, you know, I can come run to daddy and want, man, I say, work it out. You're married, or that's your boyfriend, or what, work it out. But if you need help, just know I'm always here. And if you reach a point or whatever, you come chat to me because I will page him. Right? So she go after, you know, she can't go and come to me with every problem. I'll help her if we go solve the problem herself or whatever. Because remember what T.D. Jakes said. A lot of parents worry about what they're leaving to their children when they should be more concerned with what they're leaving in their children. So my job would be to help her to figure out how to live in a marriage, which, as we all know, in a relationship, when the problems come in the relationship, that's how you have to find out what you're made of or what the relationship is made of. So you have to figure it out. So she have to go do that. But that being said, you never have a situation where my daughter, there with a guy and a guy beat her regularly, and me I go tell you about staying there because God wants you to stay in there. You must harass mad. That not happen. That not happen. And me I go pay Jim. And me I go teach her to defend herself too. Yeah, man. Anyway, sometimes these things happen. Anybody who are listening to me and watch me for a long time, you know that this is not unusual in a Ragashanti show, right? Remember, this show is about lifestyle and culture and fun and mix-up, right? And it is a misnomer. It's a misunderstanding to think that mix-ups are only about jokes. Mix-up is not only about joke, okay? Right, Craigton. This is about an organic exploration of lifestyle and culture. And we keep it real, right? Again, don't believe we focus on fun over here, yeah. And I like to make people laugh, and I like to facilitate the conditions that allow people to enjoy some humor of our daily living. But remember, this is a show about life and culture. This is a show about life and culture. I'm an anthropologist, among other things, right? Anthropology, we study what? Identity and culture. And you have the whole academic stuff that I do, but I have all this kind of fun stuff that I do right here, all right? And Tasha, big up yourself, you know, seeing? So don't be surprised when this happens. People like Ellie and Antasha and Craigton, they're not the least bit surprised. They've been listening to me for years upon years upon years. They know that that in truth, my shows are not only about laughing and kicking, which we make no apology for, you know, but that there are times when the show moves and things happen and it carries us and whatever. I'm gonna follow my spirit and go with it because I know when it can go in a direction where it could be useful to some of the listeners out there in different ways in terms of what their experiences are, what they're combating, what they're dealing with, what they're coping with, what they're struggling with, and so forth. And to the extent that I could be rhetorically useful to them through verbiage in some way to communicate something empowering to them or something illuminating to them that could help to make them understand something better, thus putting them in a more empowered state to function more effectively and efficiently in their daily lives, then so be it. That is also my responsibility here. And I do enjoy doing that too, all right? But we laugh. We do laugh, all right? Someone say big up all of the ladies them out there. Blessings and respect. To big up all I man them too, you know, and whatever. But we're on a subject that is particularly sensitive and for women, okay? In terms of the patriarchy and, you know, male control and, you know, male interest and so forth and things like that, right? So when these things come up, it is my choice to make my little contribution that I determine can be helpful to you, the viewer, and you, the listener. Thankfully, I was blessed with some experience and, you know, big up my mother, Miss Cherry and thing, and some knowledge in that regard and some scholarship in that regard and whatever. And I see it as my obligation to use a platform like this, you know, to shed light on these things whenever I can, with the objective being that it would be helpful to some of you. And I'm doing this long enough to know when you say certain things, if it will resonate with some of the viewers or the listeners. So I know that exchange just now and my sharing just now is meaningful to a lot of you out there. And we will have more of these as we have had many of these in the future to come, because this is how my show runs. So if you're new to Ragashanti and you heard the laughs before and you see this juncture that we just took, this is nothing new in my shows. And anybody who's been listening me for a while, they'll tell you. This is not unusual, right? We've all been given gifts, and I got mine. I have my weaknesses, I have my weaknesses, I have my weaknesses, and I have my gifts. And I choose to utilize my gifts this way. As the Bible said, you remember the man who got bury fame talent and think, not this man right here. This is what I do. This is my gift, okay? All right. Wedding mix-up or any other mix-up, wedding mix-up or any other mix-up, wedding mix-up or any other mix-up. See it? Ellie said, big up to Mama Cherry. Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? Yeah, my mother did love beard. And when my mother beard, you know, you can't tell her, so she not the biggest singer out there, you know, she one of them bathroom singer. Love singing in a bathroom and swear she could have sing, you see. And when she had to the iron note, then gone way up in her nose. Yeah, when my mother used to sing on the iron note, then, you know, go, and swear she sing good, you know, me and my sister used to sweet with. God bless Miss Cherry, bless her, bless her, bless her, bless her. Okay. Andrew Pang, have some manners and respect. No, yes, this is my crowd is generally is an older crowd, but don't about coming like a be old people over here. You're out of order. Right? So dress up your talk or whatever. This is a grown and sexy crowd. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. It's not a really no 15, 16-year-old. I know that's something there over here. I don't know, look a picnic something. Oh, and by the way, it's set like that, Andrew. Like TikTok give you that, you know, for cut out certain age groups. So it's set like that, okay?
Brother, good morning.
Yes, Rick, what you say?
Yeah, I have a story. It's not really a mix-up, a true story.
Yeah, man, send on, man. Make we hear it.
Like, it's about like the woman in Panama with the pastor.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like I met this girl online and I talked to her for about 5 months before I go to Jamaica. So you know me I sell her and I fix up and she invite me introduce me to the pastor and the apostle of the church.
Yeah.
So me all show tithes, show offering. I'm gonna baptize yet in Raga.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I'm gonna go some months.
Yeah.
Fly to Jamaica.
Yeah.
And I reach Jamaica.
So what are you did that show tithes and offering from your up here based on fear
Yeah,
introduction?
man.
Oh, okay.
And all I said, like, let them cook food for the homeless them twice a month. Me I do everything, man.
Okay, fully functioning.
Yeah.
Fully
So,
invested.
Raga,
Yeah.
I tell you, God is good. I went to Jamaica, meet up on the girl, and we plan wedding and everything. You know.
Well on. You plan wedding?
Yes, man. Buy clothes, only ring me no buy from here, cause me say reach Jamaica. I see what I go on.
No, but hold on. When I read, you mean after talking to her online for the 5 months, when I reach a point where I get married?
Yeah, man. We say me I come to Jamaica to get married, innit?
Yeah, but you did see her in the 5 months?
No, just on video call.
So just from video call and interaction, when I fell in love,
I like her and she brown and nice and everything. So me I say, all right.
Well, you say she brown and nice.
Yeah.
No, so what I want to make clear is,
yeah,
it's from the 5 months of talking to her online with video call.
Yeah.
That's where una fell in love and the decision reach a point where una say una gonna get married. You gotta come down,
Yeah,
come
because
married.
she in the church, yeah.
She in the church.
And without she get married, we know say the pastor and them not allow that because they must say a fornication in it.
Oh, so she says she nah do nothing because the church says she can't do nothing before you get married.
Yeah. So we say okay then.
All right, yeah, go and talk, yeah.
I don't mind, me I gotta do what she say, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So Bumps now reach Jamaica and bring stuff here, our kids and everything.
Oh, she had children. How many children she had?
Boy, Raga, you know.
How many? 3?
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
So, Bumps, the first Sunday, I reached Jamaica the Saturday. I get baptized the Sunday.
What?
It's not a joke, you know.
Well, you reach Jamaica the Saturday and you baptized the Sunday?
Yeah, because guess what happened now? My brother picked me up because my brother live in Canada. Me live here in England.
Yeah.
So we plan so we go down to Jamaica for 2 weeks for enjoy ourselves and he might come at the wedding.
Yeah.
So the Sunday now I said to my brother, bro, follow me go to the church now. He said, no brother, Elsha me I go now.
Your brother said, Elsha, I'm going to go to church with
brother, you just come last night and you want to go to church today, man. So me I say, remember, and that make me really forward, innit?
Yeah, because you did forward for come baptize.
I'm get married.
And get married?
Yeah. I remember me I talk to the pastor and he counsel me about marriage and everything online.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And you send your money too?
Of course, I send money to the church, I send money for her.
Like, if you don't mind me, I like, you know, I like good money I send, a good look at you.
Raga, God know in heaven, I send her in 3 months, I give her 500,000 Jamaican. Because she always the one electric and me have to send money for them string it up and pass it and buy posts.
So you send down your British send down your British pound them to her and thing, and in 3 months you get about 500,000 Jamaican dollar, $500,000.
I count my money, Raga, man.
Yeah, go and talk, yeah.
So, Bamson, I go to church Sunday and I get baptized, you know, and me I say yes. So, I said to her, you know, I'm going to come to your house tonight. So she said, yeah. So, Raga, when we reach at the woman's house, we cook, eat, sleeping time, I see the woman draw one sheet for me and one for her.
She do what?
A 2 sheet rather.
What are they? When you say you get your own sheet, come up with a sheet, they call me and you not come up under the same sheet. And that is it, you know.
So Raga, she keep on touch me and me I touch her back. She said, no, me not fi touch her.
Wait, she a touch you?
Yeah.
What you mean she a touch you? Oh.
No, like feel me up, man.
Like your body or she did a feel up there so too?
It does someone cause me the behind her underneath my sheet, so she just I use her hand, her left hand and I touch me and thing and me and
she use her left hand and a stroke thing, that stroke thing. But at the same time when she a stroke thing, she a tell you say you not fi stroke her back. You not fi touch her back.
That me tell you.
Listen to me.
So what you know, Raga?
Now, well, I know how you feel that way, you know, but so even so, she has stimulate you and thing. She did stimulate you enough for you reach a happy moment.
I Raga, I reach a happy moment, you know, man.
Eh?
I reach a lot of moment, happy and sad.
No, I mean at the night when time she has to.
What you mean, man?
Okay, go on talk. So go on talk. No.
So, alright, we sleep on the morning, I get up and say to her, say, no, I don't like what you do because it's not like you're my mother or my sister or cousin. Or we in the same bed, 2 sheet.
Yeah.
And things. So she say we not get married yet. And so I say, let me sample the thing before we get married now. You know, on a pussy in a bag, you know.
Yeah.
She said no, she already test and sit me at work, so let's do it. So
The
that's why
marriage.
she got touch me.
Yeah, that's the marriage. So she do want to know say something dead there and thing. And
Yeah. So she have a friend, Raga. I go to the friend and I say, boy, I don't like how your friend cheat me, you know. But that's not like the same day after, you know, because I'm in Jamaica now, I got 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And I talk to the friend. And the friend I said, I talk to her. So she said to me one day, say, let's go out, go find a hotel. So me and my brother drive go Ochi. And we're booking a hotel and it was 110 US for the night.
Okay.
Per night, yeah.
Right.
So Raga, you know, said the first night we went out and we have a drink. She was drinking Cyril beer. She drink like 6. And my brother drink Magnum.
Magnum
And
you gonna drink?
yeah, my brother and his wife, she's a white woman. And we're in a Ochi and thing and ready to go back to the hotel.
Yeah.
So we go to the hotel, they bring down some nice knickers for her and lingerie. So I hate me see she put on.
When they say knickers as a British man, panty attack, right?
Yeah, panty.
Yeah, when they hear the British people them say knickers, they're referring to female underwear. Okay, so you brought her some nice panty and lingerie for her, and you say she goes to boom and put them on, don't
Mr. Raga,
yeah.
Jaja, I eat this.
And she see how she set right in them and thing
So,
and all these things.
Me see how she look, me say, Jaja, me have something and me just so like. Cause me say tonight I match.
What you mean you swallow? What you swallow?
Me so you know, Jack in a ride ass without whipping a Jack in a Raga.
Right. So what you swallow? You swallow one of them pill left for can't stay.
No, not them green one. There's something different. It give you a different energy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but what kind of pill?
Don't worry yourself, Raga.
Nah,
you
man.
Take something.
You take something, all right. You take something, yeah. Cause you say you go work for your stamina, for your tan long pan it, yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
So you know the woman start the same thing like when she was doing at home.
Yeah.
And me get ready now and me touch the woman and say, you want it tonight and jump over her. The woman say, Brother Jesus again. See, I just sort out you want. You just have to say
Well, Well on. You said she start feel up the instrument in her sexy panty and lingerie and thing or whatever. Yeah, say yeah, because hotel, you know, $100 US a night, Ochi and thing, lingerie and panty
The
and
petrol
right.
and to pay for the motorway.
Yeah,
Bloody hell.
yeah, everything. And you say, when you go sit down and reach out, what she said, the blood of Jesus against you and thing, a front alone, the blood of Jesus again. And that she said to you, oh,
me
God.
sick. Cause remember say, me take my energy, you know.
Yeah.
So me I wonder to myself, so what go happen now? But nothing never really happened because she said it not go happen until that time and she not seen herself. So me say we already asleep, so no sin no big and sin.
What? She said, what now gonna happen at what time? This
No,
sort out now gonna happen?
no sort out.
So when she put on the panty and the lingerie for? And come
Say
at
she a
hotel with
test me.
Say she a test you.
I tell you. So what? Watch now. So I said to her, my brother, like, me I say, you know what? Me I check out at the hotel, you know, bro. I drive go back to Spain.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And drive come back straight to wherever I go, no talking. Cause my mother upset.
Yeah.
So Bams now, it was this. That was the Saturday. Sunday is the church. So we still go church, and then I think I don't know if she tell the pastor. So the pastor say one to talk to us. Go to the pastor house, and the pastor talks. So I say pastor man to man. Remember a long time I talk to her. I mean I send money, me I do everything. I can't buy pussy in a bag. Would you do that? So I said to me, say boy, the Bible, I have to follow the Bible. So I said to him again, I say man to man, would you go into a bed with a woman and so he was like, sister, did that happen? So she said, yes, I was just testing him, pastor. So the pastor said, you should never do that. That's provoking and everything. So pastor now, as some know like them take me for fool, and church people, they bribe a lot of people to do stuff. And people, just like when you have African, we marry them, you say wherever, force them in a relationship.
Yeah.
And he said to me, well, it better, if you two want to sleep, just get married and done. I mean, I said, at that. So I just tell my brother, say, yo, I'm not going to get married again, you know. I tell everybody when you come at the wedding. He said, this wedding I got, you know. Come in and buy no pussy in the bag, brother. So my brother said, almost 3 weeks there and nothing no run. So when they don't at hotel, nothing no go on. And I said, no, brother. Say, man, fly up back. Everybody I said, boy, how me if you make them forward? Because that my next cousin come from America.
Wow.
I still something in a ragga.
Yeah.
And them fly and nothing. Because we set the date. Because I said, in another 2 weeks to 3 weeks, we must get used to the sort out with her and sit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you know, yeah.
But the woman hold out for me. And then the pastor going to tell me, say, it's the right thing she's doing. She's following the Christ. So I said to him, say, but I never see none of the disciples married and them all have woman. You laugh, you think that's what, right?
Well, I thought you said to him.
I
know, wait there, 1 second. 1,500 on there, and most of you now follow me. People, just follow me right now. If you watch a show, follow, and you know follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now if you watch a show, right? There's hundreds of you over here who are watch a show and now follow me yet. Follow me right now if you watch a show, right? 1,600 and odd over here. And I can see it. I can see it. Right? There are hundreds of you watching the show and you're not following me yet. So follow me right now, okay? Just follow me right now. That's the only thing I can buy down for. Follow me and like the live. So tap the screen, make the heart come up. If you're watching the show right now, just tap the screen, make the heart come up and follow me. So what you do now? You said to the pastor, I said, yeah.
The pastor said to me like him called me proper name.
Mm-hmm.
And him said, did the apostle not speak with you? So I said to him, no. He said, I thought they tell you. So I said,
tell you what?
Well, I know, man. I start say, I don't understand what you mean. He said, she get a vision that you are not the husband, and she already know you're just a destiny helper. I say, boom, I cause up.
No. What you say the pastor tell us about the vision?
The pastor said if me did know.
If the apostle never tell you.
Apostle get the vision, prophecy.
Yeah.
Prophesy and tell her that Mr. Such and such is not your husband, but is the destiny helper sent from God. So I say, why don't you blindfold me? Why don't you never tell me this? Let me say, okay, let me, all right, give what me can give. But I wouldn't do all of what I was doing. Coming to Jesus Christ.
Well on. So them say, God, who get the vision? Are the apostle get the vision?
And tell her, and also the pastor, but the pastor sent out me no.
Well on, who get the vision? The pastor or the apostle?
The apostle.
The apostle get the vision. Say, God say you are a destiny helper.
I tell you.
You know, I want to cuss 10 bad word right, you know. You're a destiny helper, right?
Raga. Me even I said then why God never tell me this myself.
No, because but if God tell you, you're not gonna get no more money.
That's a joke, but me I say why
yeah, so them have to tell us God tell them that.
Why them never tell me? I let me say okay, I like her, me do.
No, but what I know, you know, see, I when them tell you, when you don't decide, say, no, I'm not get married, I'm out of this or whatever, you know. At that time, them tell you, you know. You see, anyhow, you never did tell them that. You see, the night before the marriage, at that time, them would have tell you, you know.
Well, maybe me that do something drastic.
Maybe you'd do something drastic. Big man, yeah. I hope by now, you know, I set you up, you know.
I know that, bro.
I set you up and did a milk you know.
Man, tell us, Raga, when I send my ties, them ask them.
Wait, speak directly in iPhone. Speak directly in iPhone, yeah.
When I'm sending my ties,
yeah,
they was asking me, is this for the month? And I said, no, that's for the week. So one of the sister was like, how much you working at England?
Gee, what you say?
Pardon?
And what you say? What you tell the sister say?
No, I never really answer. I tell my lady when I talk to. And she said that's wrong. She shouldn't ask you that question.
She out there.
Nah, Raga, me I tell her, she all want car for rent. Me just send her money and she rent car for the week.
Who rent car for the week? Who rent car for the week? Because you're woman, so you send money for your woman rent car.
I don't want a man take care of my woman, Raga.
Yeah, no.
But me learn. And that like 2023. No, yeah, 2023, yeah. 2 years ago almost.
2 years ago this happened at Jamaica?
Yeah. How you mean, man?
Well, where the church name? You can't say it. Where the church name?
Deliverance Ministry.
No, that's okay. Deliverance Ministry. Where it located?
Raga, why so much information, man?
No, me not do nothing. Me just want, no, man, no, shame my
No, man, it's all right, man, but I swear to God, I wouldn't come here and tell a lie.
No. Me, let's be clear. Me want you be clear. The reason why I ask is nothing for me. Me know when there are times when people call here and me know some them a lie and me just talk to them and make the show run.
Okay.
And there are other times when them call and me say, you know, so nothing no go so kind of mildly, whatever. You're telling the truth.
No, Raga.
No. We don't even talk about that. You are listen to me. The reason I want you to know, the reason I'm asking you is it has nothing to do with questioning, you know, the validity of what you're saying. I do this long enough. You're telling the truth.
Okay.
Me 100% sure. And people who are listening and think them know say you tell the truth.
I
We
told you
do
this
this
is not
long
a
time.
story.
Yeah,
This is
yeah.
not a story. This is a truth. Something happened to me in my life.
Deliverance ministry at Old Harbour.
Yeah.
Yeah. I set them set you up, man. I set them
Me I
set
tell
you.
Raga,
When
the
them say
girl,
God said give them a vision, say you're designated as a destiny giver.
helper. They never
Destiny
say give her
helper, a
helper.
destiny helper.
Yeah.
Bombat. Jano.
Me I tell her say. And what me I tell her, God?
So wait, after them tell you now, say, them get vision, say you're a destiny helper now. What was, so, and then you say, so you could never tell me this long time. What was their
Yeah.
response?
Me say it, but you want more want to know, Raga. True, me I say me spend so much money, me have to sort that woman, me have to sort out, you know. So me still I spend, but me not spend so much.
Right.
Cause me I say, I want to get back something out of my money when me spend.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, me never get no money, me never get nothing. So me have to just left, I have to cut.
And you never get no run from her either.
Now one day now she was like telling me to come and pick her up to drop her somewhere. So I said to her, you know, I'm not a taxi, you know.
Yeah.
And she was like, okay, I test when I test you. I said, I know, say I just catches you one and don't come back to my house. I'm just say, okay. And Raga fan, she tell me that I'm not forward back.
No, man, it was all set up. The whole thing was she feel you up to and all them something there. Women who a worker man and a milker man, them.
All right, Raga, I'm going to say this. She never beg me. And me always just send money every week.
No. But here we go on. You see the women who are really, really good at this, they don't beg you.
She will talk, so you know you go hear and you know what I mean.
Me never ask you though that the conversation was such that she end up mentioning things where she need and you just jump in and take care right. Yeah. Yeah.
Because me I say,
Yeah.
when me start the Raga, we start the overtime. So instead of overtime money there, I think Jamaica. So if I £200 me get overtime, me send it.
Whoa. You work
So
hard
me I
in
put
England
in
and mind your
extra
woman.
hours.
Yeah.
With just for she.
But are you
So she
familiar?
never beg
Hold on.
me,
Are you
and nobody never
familiar?
forced me to give
Are
her.
you familiar that all over the world, and including Jamaicans are really big on it, that these people link people online and I saw them also? You know that now?
Yeah, I do know that.
You know that now. You know that now. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. And what them call it again? Them have a name for it out there in the market because unfortunately a lot of people get beat with it in the United States, and somebody soon posted the term where them use for it, under the law actually. The new romance scam. That's it. Romance scam. Right? So it is it's very common now, and the people, unfortunately, the Nigerians and the Ghanaians, the Nigerians especially, they are very good at it and thing in terms of romance scam. But it happened right here. When I see the brother where they do the one pan where they sit the name on TV for the Netflix show. But the Tinder one and all them something
Right,
like that. So enough of that are going. And Jamaicans are very good at it. So Adessa them beat you. And the church was in on it.
All right. First, I wasn't thinking the church was on it because I was talking to her and I see some wire running at the house. So I was like, what them wire the fan? She said, she take light. So I said, if you're a thief light, you're a Christian. And she said she can't pay this, blah, blah. So I said, okay, check out how much the street the house and all of that. So it was me offering. Because me I say, I know me I bring my brother and my cousin them go at the house. And them are going to want to find criticism. So I was just trying my best to make she no look no way and me no look no way. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that's
but she did already know what the apostle tell her.
The apostle never tell her nothing.
Well, that's what they said.
The apostle never tell her nothing. The whole thing, the design from before, what them are going to tell you, said the apostle, where God tell the apostle. And they were all in on it. And they all had to have been in on it because they were aligned. They were cohesive in their functioning. They were all on the same page.
But you know, one of the things that was troubling and worrying me, when them tell me that once I join the church, I have to start show tithes. From them time I was thinking, you know. But because me I said, sure, at 80 pounds a week sometimes if you're not getting no overtime at 60 pounds, I say, because them say 10% of your wages, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's how they was calculating my money. And everything, but I just life, I learn.
You learn.
I will always be there for my woman if, you know what I mean?
Right. And if you get a good woman,
Boy, there's no good woman, you know. You just have to be compatible and try to meet each other, you know what I mean?
What you mean there's no good woman?
There's no good woman.
All right. Rick.
Yeah,
Rick, listen to Mas Raga. Listen to Mas Raga, right? There are good women out there.
There's not good or right person, Raga. You're that person.
No, me never say right person. I say a good. You can have a good person with whom you don't match, with whom you're not compatible, right? Yeah, you can meet a really good person with whom you're not compatible, or with whom there's some circumstances that just prevent you both from functioning together.
Okay,
right?
I heard what you said. But I met people after that. I was saying, you can't believe them women are in Jamaica because they want to take me out, they want to this and they want to spend. But I'm not saying they are good women. They have good ways as women work off a two thing, you know, communication. And
no, Rick, I know what you're going through. We got the people who are sending gifts. Rick, I know what you're going through, and it is understandable where, you know, that we have reached this conclusion, and I'm not going to fight you on that and thing. Nobody tell me about next. Anybody, let me see if anybody talk about next in the chat, I'm going to block and delete on right now.
Man. Maybe some people want to come up, man.
No, right. Rick, it's me run the show. I know them run the show.
Someone said that I need counseling.
Listen to Rick, Bill. It's me run the show, not them run the show. I'm not come over here for beg for that. Them know some have a look a pet peeve with that. When a dog come tell me what to do. You stay up on the show, me attack to you, and me run the show. All right, listen to me. All right. And them go, man. I saw them come over here with them look a selfish and thing and whatever. When a go, man. All right. You hear me I say, dog. I understand how you reach your son. And I not go, pressure you upon it and thing. But I feel obligated for make you know there are good women out there. Rick, trust me, there are women out there who, when you are sending all the money, there are women out there who will say, no, but this money where you send, you all right? You okay over there? You don't have to send it to no, me will want it to know. There are women who will do that. Rick, there are women you will send the money to them, and when you all come down to them, you see some of the money where you send, see the money save up here. See money. If you have one access to it, see some of the money where you send. Rick, there are women who you will say that to, and them will tell you, say, listen, I go to church and whatever, but don't make them pressure you for send the money to them and think. Use the money and take send it to your mother or whatever. There are women who will do that, Rick. Me I tell you that, I know say them women they out there.
You know why? I said, I step by the top, Raga.
Yeah.
I was sending money and it's like my birthday forward.
Yeah.
And, myself, and I said, she must have go send me a card. Because she get the MoneyGram with my address.
Yeah.
Raga, she only call and say, happy birthday, and hope you live. Yeah. But I was looking for a card for even $200.
Yeah.
So what you're saying is true. You have women where you send and them save, and yeah, that's true.
Right. Me just want me not tell you say you have to move from where them. Me just want you understand that.
Yeah,
unfortunately, these women get a raw deal because you have them other women out there move so cool and thing. And let me tell you the main reason why I'm sharing this with you, and I want to take the time to share it with you. But not only am I sharing it with you, I am also well aware that my exchange with you is being communicated to thousands of people out there. There's 1,800 people on the live right now who are going to discuss this with other people and say, you know, somebody that listen Raga and whatever, this and that. And it is important for you and those people to know. Come let me tell you what can potentially occur right here. You can then go meet a good woman, you know. But you see, through the baggage where you carry from this and whatever, you can either consciously or unconsciously, unwittingly, unknowingly bring that over in other relation and think, say, remember, you know, whatever you expect of that, you're going to get. And if you go in our next relationship and think, say, there's no good woman, if you live your life thinking there's no good woman, you will have good woman come around you and you will never see it. You will never see them good.
Yeah, that's true. That's what I said to you. I take it back.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
But at the same time, there's a lot that happened to you right here that you know have an obligation to learn from it. So when our next woman come try that with you now, you're smart.
No, it's not gonna be like that. But
right.
I will still give my woman if I have to, innit?
Right, exactly. Yeah, and nothing wrong if you're in a relationship and you have a good woman, you take care of her. That's what men do.
Yeah,
you protect your
lady.
I
don't want Raga. I don't want no man give me woman and my kids. You know what I mean?
You see?
Yeah, so I will try my best.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'm not. Some people say Yamed. Me no Yamed coming up. I come from country.
No, pay them no mind. I mean, your situation was a big situation, whatever. But trust me, everybody who you hear, all the one them what talk about Yamed, most of them go through a Yamed phase. When them learn the game, right? Most of them go through some kind of phase. Me go through my phase. You know, you look young when you're young and in love and you ball and this. All of them just conveniently I forget when them was a Yamed too. Or when them did love somebody and would do anything for them and they got played too, right? Enough of them people who are run up them mouth, whatever, if you push them right now, you will hear them say, well, yeah, when me was 22, me did there with this boy, Patrick, him wicked, see, and Ray. But sometimes people just caught up in at the moment, and them just run out with some little sitting and things. And I pay them no mind, right? Everybody go through one sitting, something when them they get played or whatever, you know. And, well, the people them who, they with the person who them first fell in love with and still that different and thing, right? But not pay them no mind. Nobody not perfect around here. Nobody, you know, watch when them posting at the chat.
Yeah? I'm going to be honest with you.
Yeah.
For even after that, about 3 more months after that, I should have a disabled daughter. My aunt Mel for her. So even when her birthday, I was still sending her stuff. But after I said, shit, it's not my kid. And I'm not going to like, because the grandma used to call me and say, Rick is such and such. I said, I know. But after all, I just say, you know,
and nothing wrong that you send the money to the child for a while after. Nothing wrong with that, again.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Rick. But again, you know, when I want you to understand, listen to me now. Listen to Master Raga now. I mean, like to use this metaphor. Again, one time I was watching this thing on TV. One tiger in India. And the tiger killed one deer and the deer so big and the tiger near man full in belly and thing. And when the tiger belly full in couldn't even go no more and the narrator said belly full. So the tiger over there said, but you can't see the tiger. I said, but me there, but the tiger belly full, right? So the tiger walk away. So remember now the tiger belly full. When the tiger walk away, one little deer down the line, the tiger see the deer, you know, the little deer, one little Bambi deer. The deer not see the tiger, but through the tiger belly full, him not play the deer no mind. Right? The tiger still a step like tiger go about him business, but the deer never see the tiger. When the deer see the tiger, the deer say, Jesus Christ, whatever, and the deer panic. When the deer panic, the tiger run down upon the deer and tear up a little deer, you know. And kill the deer, you know. And the narrator said, you might be looking on this with human eyes and say, then what the tiger do that for if him belly full and whatever.
And the belly already full.
Right. But listen what the tiger said. Listen what the narrator said. The narrator said, the tiger is a predator. The tiger is a
Oh,
hunter. That's what tigers do. And the deer did afraid of the tiger and was a victim and fear because the deer know where tigers are.
someone is asking me which
Hold
month
on
I'm
now. So
born.
the
It's
minute
January. I'm Aquarius.
no. What? Listen to me, Rick. All right. So the minute
Yeah.
the deer show fear and thing like that and whatever, it triggers something at the tiger where the tiger does move automatic and go tear up a deer, even though the tiger never hungry or nothing. Okay. What is the point from all of this? Some people believe in the goodness of people. Yeah, there's good in a people and there's bad in a people, but understand this. In the world out there, amongst people, you have predators. And predators, them go around and they destroy people, them suck out people, them take away things from people. That is what they do. And when they do that, you know who they look for? Nice people.
Understandable.
By definition, it has to be somebody who is nice and kind and caring. So them are going to look for that. Now, you, if you're nice and kind and caring, you shouldn't feel bad about being like that. But here's the key thing. It is your obligation now to know that, you know that I am a nice, kind, particularly with the experience where you go to and say, I am a nice, kind person. And I now need to be aware that I will attract predators.
Yeah.
So the responsibility is now on you to protect yourself by identifying these predators who are going to come smooth, because the ones who are good, they're going to come smooth. They're going to take time. They're going to build a relationship with you and get it. Those are the good ones, you know. Them not ask you, you hear what you say, how much you give this woman here, and she never yet beg you. She didn't have to beg you, Rick. You see, when she use a church thing for keep you off and have the pastor there get for them cut and everything and whatever, you were set up. You were set up. You were a mark. You were somebody for them drain. Right? Now, them stay, you know. Again, you know, the important thing here, I don't want, this thing I don't happen already, so I don't want you to spend the rest of your life, I get mad at them or hate them or whatever. You know, have to just develop the skill set. For just know, say, if I next, you know, as you grow, as you live, you grow. Laugh, learn, and grow. I might motto that. Laugh, learn, and grow. Right? So you're going to make mistakes. Just learn from your mistakes.
Okay,
you're going to make more mistakes in your life. You're going to make more.
Yeah, people do make mistakes. Tell you the biggest thing I learned from this is about church and church people.
Well, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I take that to say, well, everybody can pray for themselves and whatever. Because, Raga, I'm not going to talk with me up on life, even the church. I swear to God.
No, Rick.
That's my cousin look for me and say,
Rick, no feel no way. No, but Rick, help us to better understand the fullness of this. I'm going to ask you for just share what you do for the church. Because I want people to understand this thing at night fully.
The apostle, my buy her ticket for when she left to go Jamaica, make she go up on bloody massage thing for the day. And at the time, the ticket was like 700 US, so it's like 500 and some pounds. I'm not talking about what I do, you know, but I'm just saying.
No.
Like,
so, hold on. So, based on your interaction with the apostle,
it was good.
No, you're right. Of course it was good. Them I work you. So you're going to say good. So, but based on your interaction with her, you pay for a trip, 700 odd US dollar, which was 500 and something pound in England, you there.
At the time,
she go up on some trip outside of the country?
To Jamaica.
Now, where was the apostle?
In New York.
Oh, the apostle is in New York.
Yeah, she have two trips, New York and Jamaica.
So the apostle different from the pastor?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So you pay for a trip for the apostle travel from New York to Jamaica. For stay a what? Wait, so what?
No, she have her place, man. It's just for the day for she go get a massage and everything.
For she just get a massage in a Jamaica?
No, man. I buy the ticket for her birthday, rather.
Okay.
Yeah, to she go to Jamaica.
So,
As I said,
so hold on, the ticket was our airfare for go down to Jamaica?
yeah.
Okay, how did she travel? Was it economy or first class?
No, man, it wasn't economy. It have to be economy, sorry.
Huh?
It have to be economy.
Okay, so did you buy the ticket or you send the money to her for she pay for the ticket?
I send the money. I send the money to one of the church sisters in Jamaica. I come to 130 something thousand or 123,000, something like that. At the time, yeah.
At that time. But
Yeah.
you were saying it was like 700 and odd US.
Yeah, but it not gonna be like that in a pound.
No, right. No, we understand that. And thing. No,
I'll say almost 600 pound or something.
Right.
I know it was
No.
500 and something.
And I appreciate you sharing that again, because what you're doing now, you're giving them an extent of the, the con, what these people will do, because she have two church and she is using the church as a facade to milk people. And as they do so, they're invoking the name of the Lord and all these things and whatever to give themselves credibility and thing with what they do.
And
but
the biggest thing, Raga,
yeah.
she never prophesied to me yet, but she prophesied to people. So I'm saying, so nothing wrong with me then.
She prophesied to her?
I like saying she always tell people what's going to happen and what's happening in their life, but she have never done that to me.
No, because if she did a prophesy, she would have tell us, oh, the Lord revealed to me, say, if you're going at this thing, you're going to be exploited with this woman, and you're going to end up spending a lot of money, and you're not going to get what you wanted, and so forth, and things like that. Why the prophecy there? Why she never get that prophecy there? No, them are cannies. All right? But Rick, I'm glad you survived this thing. I'm glad you have the opportunity to learn from it. Yeah.
I meet an ex-girl and we fly to Dubai. She even booked everything in Dubai. I swear to God. I left Dubai and go straight to Ghana with have fun and enjoy myself. That's me, Raga.
Okay.
I'm there a long time, so I work and I like to fly.
Right, and then you and her have a better relationship, right?
Yeah, she's a Ghanaian, but we're not together anymore.
You're not together anymore, but when you're there with she, you get sat out door.
When is it, Raga?
Yeah, and you get Ghanaian
I don't want to
sat
be
out.
talking on this thing like that,
Yeah, no. So when I say you learn from your thing, and you say at least you're not in a relationship, but from what I'm hearing, by leaps and bounds, this was a way better relationship than the one that you had with this one, which was a non-existent relationship, really, because said that woman they could all did a sleep with the pastor or have our own man down there.
I'm not going to say that because I don't really know that.
No, you don't know that. That's why I say coulda. But when I say she could have lied before all of her own man down there or two or whatever, I still leave a link with one of her picnic father them or so. You never know or whatever. Also them did I was say my dad.
I don't know. And many days have to pass the judgment on them no more. I just pass it.
Cause you're nice. Cause you're nice.
Program and you say,
yeah, no man.
Thing, you know what I mean?
Yeah, no man. Respect no, I want to say thanks for sharing, because you may not know.
Welcome, man.
No, you may not know this thing. I know one of them memorable thing there. I do this a while. 5 years from now, you go here. Raga, I'm going to on a flight. Raga, boy, I tell you, I remember the call of them from one time who they tell you about. I saw them something I go. And say, so I learn from it and thing and whatever. I tell you all the while, this is one of them call. This is one of them call. So big up yourself. Here, sir.
Yeah, man. You have
yeah, man. And is there anything finally where you did want to say before you leave or anything?
No, I'm just telling you, people have to just follow their mind and them heart, and that's it, you know what I mean?
And be careful and learn from their mistakes. Yeah, right.
Yeah, and do that, yeah.
Right.
Everybody do make mistake.
Indeed, yes. Yeah.
Yes, and you learn from your mistake, you're not going to do it twice.
Right.
Yes, so me learn from that, and I just try my best to be happy and go work, do what I have to do, and you know what I mean?
All right. That's
so,
all right.
My last youth at 19, so I don't have no baby.
All right, there. See it there. See it there.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, my brother. All right.
All right. Blessed
cool.
morning.
Yeah, man. Cool. And him said blessed morning because he's in London and they're 5 hours ahead. That means it's 17 minutes after 2 in the morning there and thing. Wow, what a call, you know. Why did these people boy Rick slow up Raga? Rick never slow up nothing. We had a good show. Right? We don't want to know. Come on, relax. Nothing ever slow up. When did I watch a CM show? There was just so much there to unpack and to learn from. Calm down, man. Somehow, if you don't have nothing positive for post, don't post. All right? If you don't have nothing positive for post, do not post. Okay? No, seriously. Don't even watch. Don't even come over here. Okay? I got to leave. All right, well, let me see something. I have to leave. I have to leave.
Raga.
Now me have 2 people coming now. Who just said Raga?
I mean, so that. Sorry, so.
All right, yeah, man. Talk to me.
All right, Raga. So, we kind of have a little joke or whatever.
Yeah.
I may have to echo.
Eh?
I'm hearing myself like I'm echoing.
Some people that happen to me tweak it and thing, and we haven't had that problem here today. So see if you can just work with it a little bit, you know.
All right, cool. So, what I have to say now is that the other day, my mother talk, right?
Yeah.
So, I said to her, say, Mommy, how did it really go down with you and Daddy while you and Daddy did break up?
Uh-huh.
So, my mother said to me, say, you know, say your father did love what a woman do, and him did lie.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm like, okay. So, my mother started to me say, so I said, what did really happen when you and him break up?
Mm-hmm.
So, she said, one time, when she, boy, you're going to do something, you just come and sound awful, you see?
We are here, you doing, you know.
Yeah, but maybe sound awful. Anyway, she said, there was this one time when my father did there with this woman. And all she asked him, he must say, no, me and the woman not there. And XYZ.
Mm-hmm.
So she said, one night she go over him and sleep with him.
Mm-hmm.
And she get up in the morning, make him breakfast and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And so him say, feed the fowl them.
You might go what with the fowl them, what?
Feed the fowl them.
Feed the fowl them. Mm-hmm.
So she said, while you go down at the fowl pen now and feed the fowl them, she sleep underneath the bed. Right?
Mm-hmm. She's go under the bed?
Yeah, she slide underneath the bed.
Uh-huh.
Him think she gone. She tell him say she'll leave.
Yeah.
And then she slide underneath the bed.
Yeah.
All right. So she said she underneath the bed now. And she hear when him come in at the house. And him a move around until she hear when one woman come.
Mm-hmm.
So she said them she did under the bed and her heart are really fast now because she has said something go down. Something go down.
Yeah.
So the woman why I'm saying that already now.
Yeah.
So she said she underneath the bed a good 25 minutes.
Yeah.
And then no. It was one of them spring bed. You know them all time spring bed there?
Yeah.
So she said she feet under the bed and she when the bed start go up and down.
Yeah.
So she take time and sneak from underneath the bed.
Yeah.
And when she come out from underneath the bed,
Yeah.
and my father that have her back way ride it, you know, man.
Are your father what?
Have her back way ride it.
Have the woman I give my backers.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So she said she hold the woman did have been so long braid.
Yeah.
And she hold the woman in her ear now.
and start drawing to them frightened. When my father turn around and see her,
Yeah.
man, the woman dash out of the house and sail down in the banana walk. Because
Yeah. Them take it to the banana walk, no.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Him say until this game never see back that woman again. She never see back that woman again.
Never again.
About 2 weeks. My father had her.
Yeah.
She couldn't see him.
Seeing.
Yeah, man.
And then that lead to the breakup between your mommy and your father.
Yeah.
Okay. So mommy go to away, go hide under the bed and all these things, boy. Some people brave, sir. I got it. All right. Sally Sauce, big up yourself, seeing?
Yeah, man, cool.
Yeah, man, thanks for that one. The blessings, man, cool. All right, people, not feeling no way. I see things full up here and thing and whatever, but I have to go Lego here now, yeah? In I Morrows, man, my day again. Remember I say it's supposed to be 6 to 9, and it's 9:25 right now, so in I Morrows, man, all right? Just big up on yourself, man, and thing. And Rick, big up yourself, you know, everything is everything, man. You know, we want some respect for the growth. So the eye rising and the thing, and, you know, you get a beating, right? But you know what, yourself, you have a lot of people get beaten in different ways. They may not get beaten the way you get beaten, but other people have people beat them and betray them and deal with them shabby and whatever and all these things when them they dead for them, right? And usually the people who are the loudest critics about other people when them get beaten, usually are them get some serious beating in for them life too. And I mean that delulu about it, like them not realize it, or them know it and repress it, suppress it, and I go and like them have it together more than everybody else. But trust me, Rick, a lot of us have been through things where people beat we, you know? So in the moment when we hear somebody trials and tribulation, some people can be a little bit verbose, you know, when them attack and thing, because them conveniently I forget when them did get beaten too, you know? Or them still in denial about it. That's just life. But big up yourself, Rick, all right? Blessings, people in our morals, all right? I'm going to leg right, you know. Cool. Tomorrow again, 6 o'clock. Are you in Canada? Ebony Star said, we just come. Ebony, all of you, if you want to, anybody who want to watch the full show, remember, the full, over TikTok, you can only post 1 hour, and this has gone over 3 hours. The full shows are posted over YouTube. The full shows are posted over YouTube on which channel? TamFam TV. TamFam TV over YouTube. So the full TikTok shows are posted over YouTube. I post highlights from the show here on TikTok. So if you see, there's quite a few highlights here on TikTok. But if you want to watch a full show, they're over TamFam TV on YouTube. When you go over there, subscribe. When you go over there, subscribe. That's all I'm asking you. When you go over there, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, TamFam TV. Sweet Royal Raga with Pepsi there. Pepsi drop out, you know. Pepsi drop out several years now, you know. Yeah, man, Pepsi drop out. All right. Good night, Kimberly. All right. So again, the full shows are over TamFam TV on YouTube. For those of you who want to retain me for immigration law services, again, for those of you who want to retain me for immigration law services, text me at the following number. Text me at the following number. 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. That's for immigration services. All right, good night, folks. Y'all take care. Good. Oh, and do remember, just want to remind you again, Ragabash will be at September 20th at the Amazura Concert Hall. Ragabash, we talked to DJ Chris Cross earlier today. Ragabash will be at September 20th at the Amazura Concert Hall, right? So, yeah, I want to know forward. And big up Virgo Nation to see. Big up all of my Virgo people, them, though. Big up all of my September people, them. Raga was Seki. Seki's in Brownstone, and she's still there in Brownstone in St. Anne. Okay, cool.